you're here. Can you please write me here down that I see you, that I see if everything is it's working out. Hello, how are you? Can I have one Americano? Thank you. And water, yes. Thank you. Wow, Bratans, what happened here? This is crazy. I just woke up and I see this huge dump. This is crazy, man. Guys, this is huge. This dump. I mean, let's wait until we have a little bit more viewer, maybe 50. Please, please share the stream, guys. I want to show you. I see here some divergence on the daily. We see very clear divergence. We see on the 4-hourly very clear divergence, and I want to show you again something about the supermoon, guys. I mean, it's stupid about the supermoon. This theory is super stupid. And Jamie will come later also. He's on the gym. He's coming. He's also will come. Here, right? Bratan, come. I'm in live stream. He will also come. And I want to show you also the supermoon things, right? It's stupid about the moon. But I just want to show you based on the past what happened, because we will have tomorrow the supermoon. And yes, okay, let's see here, guys. Yeah, my monitor is a little bit dirty, but anyways. So guys, I mean, this was crazy. We created a new lower low, right? I mean, this is crazy. Let us watch here on the daily. If we're watching on the daily, we see here a very clear blood. Wait, we see here very clear on the daily, the price is going down, right, while the RSI is going up. So this is very clear a bullish divergence, right? This is one thing what we see on the daily, right? So this is one thing. The second thing is if we are watching right now and zooming out here, wait a minute, I show you, we have here, we are right now finding here support, right? We have here a lot of support coming in here, you see, at this level around, what is this, around 24,000, right? Around 24,000 we have some support. If we break 24,000, guys, if we break 24,000, then I see Bitcoin clearly going here down the next support to around 22,500, right? So watch out, the next support, if we break 24,000, I see that we are breaking to 22,000, right? After you it's not working or what? Can you write me down if you see me, if you hear me, guys? It's working, everything working, it's not okay. Now, good morning, brothers. Okay, so yes, the support is 24,000 and the next support would be around 22,500, right? So around 22,500, you see the next support is coming in. If you break 22,500, guys, the next support would be around 20,000, right? And I told you about this 20,000, but I have to clean a little bit my screen. The next support, the 20,000, right, is very I told you also about it, guys. Why? Because if we are watching here on the bigger time frame, you see here very clear bear flag, right, which we formed. You see here, this is a very clear bear flag, and the technical price target of this bear flag is around, wait a minute, if we measure it, is around, I mean, some measure it from the top, it's 20,000, you see. I measure it from the bottom, so we have the most worst scenario. This would be 60,800. Just imagine, guys, this is crazy. And yesterday, the crazy thing about it, guys, to everyone who is not in our Telegram group, which is for free, I told you yesterday my entry position, but I slept. I didn't. Shit, man, I have to wake up earlier. You see, I show you. Wait a minute. I told you that if we break 27,900, you see, if we break 27,900 with a clear 50-minute close below and clear selling volume, I will short long if we break 28,200. So if you took here the trade, congratulations, guys, you are in huge profits it's crazy. So let us watch right now Bitcoin on the 4-hourly, right? You're still here, right? Okay, let us watch Bitcoin the 4-hourly, guys. And we reached our price target here. I told you, many were very bullish here when we were at this level. We're watching on the 4-hourly right now. But I told you here, we have this symmetrical triangle. As soon we broke here down, technically I told you the price target was 26,000 around, right? We reached perfectly our price target of 26,000, right? This is, I mean, it's crazy, man. But right now we are further going down, and on the daily we see our price target is right now from the bear flag even 20,000, something between 20,000 and 17,000, right? So this one thing. And another thing, guys, another thing, I see here a lot of Germans. Was geht ab, Bratans? Ich muss hier auf Englisch, weil es sind sehr viele Bratans, die kein Deutsch verstehen. Another thing, need coffee, just wake myself up. I woke up and I watching on my screen and see this. What the fuck? And you know, the one thing what I thought, why I'm not shorted it, because I slept, man. I slept. So yes, I won the bet with Jamie. Yeah, I won the. Is shorted anyone down? Who's shorting down Bitcoin here on this level, guys? Please write me down. I don't see again. Ich küsse dich, Bratan, on null. Guys, so Jurassic Park was very nice. I loved it. Jurassic Park lost all the money to zero. Bratan, why you cannot trade with all your money? Shorting 20 iron. Okay, in my opinion, guys, but I said TP at 20 fake. Okay, but you still made good profits if you shorted to 25,000, right, guys? So another thing, wait a minute, maybe so it's a little bit better, brighter. Okay, another thing what I want to tell you guys, watch out right now, because 24,000 could be right now a huge bounce back level, right? Because at 24,000, oh, man, maybe I will turn this black. Wait a minute. Блять. I extra for you guys picked up here. So, yeah, so it's better. Glad I have to clean my. Okay, so 24,000 will be right now, like I told you a few minutes ago, will be a huge support level, right? If you're watching on the daily right now, we see here very clear that at 24,000 here we have a huge support is coming in. So this could be bounce back level, right? And right now I want to speak with you about the WYCKOFF accumulation, right? You see, I already draw you in, and this only theory, guys. Please don't judge me on this if it's not working out. It's only theory, and I just want to show you this, right? So I just want to show you this, what I'm watching for. Wait a minute, I show you also in the picture how it looked like. Usually this WYCKOFF accumulation. Wait a minute. So where is it? Blood. Here is it. So this is what usually WYCKOFF accumulation look like, right? We see we have here a lower low, right? Then we see a new higher high, right? And then we create a new lower low. And after the new lower low, we create a new, not a new higher high, but it's slightly below our previous high, right? And this is what I also wrote here. So we see we're creating a lower low, right? Then we are creating a new higher high, like you see here on the screen, right? We create a new higher high, and after it, we're creating a new lower low, which is lower than our previous low, lower than the C point. So this is called a ST point. So if this one, theoretically, it's only a theory, guys. It's WYCKOFF accumulation theory. If we see this one, a new ST point creating, then we should see after this, after we create at 24,000 or 20,000, we will see it. We have to see if we will bounce back here, 24,000. Then we will go up and create a new, not new high, but below our previous high. You see it here, right? So then theoretically, according to our Wyckoff accumulation, we should here see a relief rally to slightly below our previous high, right? So this could go till 47,000 or something like that, right? It could be, guys. It could be, and this is what I'm watching for right now because. Wait a minute. Where is it? Because where I have the blood. Yeah. Because I mean, this could be a long opportunity of around 100%, 10x leverage, even 1000%. So this is what I'm watching right now for, guys. This Wyckoff accumulation, it's only a theory, right? In my opinion, this theory will be confirmed if we create here a new high, but not below our previous high. And after it, we should see, according to the Wyckoff accumulation, we should see a new lower low, right? Oh, amazing. Thank you very much. You see, we should see here a new lower low. It's called the spring, right? It will be below our previous both lows. You see, right? So therefore, if we see right now this, wait a minute, do I have this I want to show? So if we see a relief rally to below our previous low, and after a new dump even below our previous low. Just imagine, guys, this is crazy. I mean, maybe we see right now bounce back at 24,000, then we see this relief rally, and then we see Bitcoin something between here in this area 20,000 and 70,000, right? And if we see a new lower low after a relief rally, then I would say our Wyckoff accumulation is confirmed, right? So what is important also on this Wyckoff accumulation, if we create a new lower low after this lower low, right after the ST point, the next lower low will be the relief rally, will be the absolute bottom where we'll see Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the altcoins pumping, and we will see this relief rally, right? So this is what I'm watching for. This is the Wyckoff accumulation theory. Guys, do you have any questions? Please write me down below if you have any questions. I'm trying to answer it. So, was passiert, bis wohin fallen wir? The first, he is German Bratan, he said, what happens, how far we are going down. So technically we are finding support at 24,000, next support will be at 22,500 approximately, and then the next at 20,000. So these are the next support. Yes, and I won the bet with Jamie. Yes, I make another bet. Do you have any questions, guys? If you don't have any questions, then I will go further. The thing is, what time frame would second dump be? I don't know, guys. Nobody knows. I'm watching right now on the daily, and we create here a new lower low, right? But the theory, you got right. Think it will work out like you showed first time. I agree. Nice, thank you, brother. So if we see here a bounce back to the upside, why I maybe think. So why I think we could see here a bounce back to the upside, because we see the RSI on the daily is heavily overbought. I mean, there's a little bit room to go down more, but we are heavily overbought. We should see right now, yes, we can still go to 22,000, guys, but I think, spitting on my screen. Like where it's spitting on me, man. So we see here we are overbought, right? So I think we could see here bounce back to the upside right now because we are heavily overbought. This is one thing. The second thing, we see here bullish divergence. You see your bullish divergence, you measure from the downside. You see the RSI is going up while the price here is going down, right? So this is a bullish divergence. This is the second thing. And another thing, guys, and now be ready. I want to show you, Celsius. Shit, I had to short Celsius, man. And AVEX also. Oversold, yeah, oversold, sorry. We're oversold. Yeah, I every time say that my English is not the best, guys. So oversold, yes, we are clearly oversold. So, and right now, guys, and now here, stay here with me, guys. I want to show you the theory of the supermoon. Here I noticed the previous supermoon, and I want to go with you through this theory of supermoon. And this is right now not technical analysis. I just want, because you know, there are some people, I make the moon faces on. There are some people who are, wait a minute, I turn quickly this phone. There are some people who are saying, okay, if we have full moon, we see a huge pump, and if we have a supermoon called, it's not supermoon or cardamom, it's mean if when the moon is the nearest point where the moon is to the earth, right? And there are people who are saying when we see the supermoon, we will see even a bigger pump, right? So, and this is what I wanted to show you, because tomorrow on the 14th, here we will see a supermoon, right? So technically, physically, there will be supermoon. I mean, he will be near to the Earth. You understand, right? It don't means you're super brother. It don't means that we will see. You understand what I mean, right? Wait a minute. I want to watch quickly something. Why my phone so shaking? Is it shaking on your screen so much, guys? My phone or not? In a minute I show you supermoon. Wait a minute, the theory of the supermoon. You hear me, yes? Okay, so guys, this is right now, Italy loves you. I love you, bratans. So theoretically, so people say, okay, we will see here the supermoon, right? On the 14th, we will see the supermoon, and they say we will see pump. I mean, this would be perfectly fit in with our theory of the WYCKOFF accumulation theory, which says we create a new lower low, and after it we see pump below our previous low here, right? So let's see. So it's not shaking, yes? Okay. So I want right now to show you. Wait a minute. I turn off all the indicators. I have to turn them off. Wait a minute. Okay, I turned off all the indicators. So now I want to show you guys. So based on the past, right? You see, every time when we saw a moon, a full moon, or the most of the time, we saw. This is right now not technical analysis. Very important. This is right now. This only astrology, or because some people telling about the supermoon, what will happen, right? Maybe I change the title. Can I change the title? Does anybody knows if I can change the title? No. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is the theory of the supermoon. Wait a minute. You see, we have a pump every time when a full moon is. We have usually pump. A new moon is the green one. Every time when new moon is, we see a dump in the market, right? You see also here new moon dump. It's crazy, right? I mean, here we have a full moon, a little bit pump, new moon dump, right? We see also here a new moon pump, full moon pump, new moon dump, full moon pump, right? You see it every time. Here again, a full moon, we see pump, we see new moon dump. So you see it everywhere. Love from Albania, I kiss you, brother. You see again, full moon pump, right? New moon dump. So, and right now, this theory, this theory, the most of you know, right? The most of you know this theory, guys. Please write me one in chat if you know this theory. And right now, I want to go with this theory of supermoon, because we have on the 14th a supermoon. So tomorrow we will see a supermoon when the moon is near the nearest point, when the moon is to the Earth. So, and right now I want to go with you through the supermoon, which we saw. Let us start with the supermoons, which we saw. Where was it? Which we saw here. 2020, right? So 2020, when we saw 2020 was the first supermoon, where on the 8th, wait a minute, I zoom in, on the 9th March 2020, 9th March 2020, let us watch, where was the 9th March 2020, so we are going to see March 9th March 2020. So this is the supermoon which we saw, and look at this, man. This was the supermoon, 9th March 2020, and what happened? Look at this. This was the exact bottom of our bull market last time, 9th March 2020, when we saw the supermoon. This was the absolute bottom of the previous 2020 bear market, and we saw this huge pump. You see, this was 9th March. So when we saw another supermoon we saw on the 8th April 2020. What was on the 8th April 2020? Let us watch. Here we see 8th April, supermoon, we see again a pump, right? I mean, this is crazy, guys. It's not technical analysis, again, it's only, I want to show you. 7th May 2020, what was on the 7th May 2020? We are watching 7th May 2020. So this is the supermoon. We see, again, a huge pump, right? I mean, this is crazy, guys. This is the theory of the supermoon. I show you also what was 2020, 2021. 2021, we saw the first supermoon on the 28 March, right? 28 March. Let us watch what was 28 March. Wait a minute. 28 March. This was this was the supermoon. This was when we claimed our highest high, right? So in 2021, in the early, I mean, here was the highest high, but you know what I mean. So this was the supermoon on the in March, right? We saw here a huge pump to the upside. Then we had another supermoon on the 27th April. 27th April is here, another supermoon. You see, we saw again a huge pump. I mean, this was a pump of 20%, guys, right? Just imagine. And 20. So, and then we have on 24 June a supermoon, and 24 June was here, you see. And after it, we saw also small pump, but then we saw a little dump, and then we saw again a huge pump. Yeah, this is the theory, guys. Wait a minute, I have to turn. Wait a minute. We go further. I mean, this is the theory of the supermoon, and we will see another supermoon tomorrow, and we will see, will it work out? I mean, maybe it will not work tomorrow, but in the immediate short term. But I mean, it doesn't matter, guys. We are not doing here astrology. I want to fly with the moon. I don't want to do here astrology, guys. I just want to show you, because some people are, 23,900. Jobany vrot, we are breaking down, man. Wow, shit. We are breaking further down. Wait a minute. We are breaking further down. Wait a minute. Wow, we are breaking further down. Crazy. 2 hours 20. It's crazy. Wait a minute. I mean, guys, I close this. I mean, guys, everything, give me a kiss and give away. I mean, guys, this is, that we are further breaking down, it's okay. Because, it's okay, and I'm crying, it's okay. The thing is, it's still, we have to watch, will we still hold the support? I mean, we have, wait a minute, I watch on the 4 hourly. I mean, let us watch 23,900. If we can hold here the support, if we're closing here below 24,000 with this 4 hourly candle, I'm expecting that we are going even to 22,500, because 22,500 is our next huge support, right? You saw it here. We have to switch on the daily to see it again. So you see here, you see perfectly, we are here on the big support. This is in March 2020. Wow, we are right now. Bitcoin is on the low of December 22, guys. Before we saw this huge rally to the upside. So we see here a lot of support. So if we close right now, it's okay. But if we break 23,800, I would say, then I see Bitcoin to the next support at 22,600, 22,500, and the next support obviously would be here around 20,000. You see here is a lot of support, right, based on the past 222. So guys, let us watch. Will we close here? Will we see here bounce back to the upside? Will we saw further dump to the 22,500, because we have a lot of support? I don't think that we are right now going down to 20,000. I don't think, because we are heavily overbought, but let's see, guys, let's see. Nobody knows. I think, I mean, we are so heavily overbought, guys. Man, this is crazy. We are on the daily heavily overbought. Let us watch on the weekly, how we close the weekly in this day. So we are watching right now the weekly candle. So weekly we are, wow. Wow, this is crazy. But the weekly candle just started, so we could see here huge pump to the upside. This just opened. Previous weekly candle was horrible, obviously, and we see we are heavily overbought also here, guys. We are on the weekly heavily overbought, and the crazy thing is, wait a minute, I show you, where was it? Where was it? That I can find it, wait a minute. Yeah, on the weekly we saw here, but I mean it's not working out. We saw here bullish divergence. You see here prices going up while the RSI is going down. But on the monthly, wait a minute, let me show on the monthly right now. On the monthly, we are, yes, on the monthly we still have a huge bullish divergence, guys. So everything fine. Yes, we are crying. Yes, we are with whale shit all over our faces and ears. But watch at this. Look at this, guys. Here we are on the monthly candles right now, and you see the price is going up while the RSI, and you measure from the downside, the RSI is going down, right? So therefore, I expecting here still that we will see oversold Zuckerblad. Do I say overbought? We see here we are heavily oversold. Yes, we are everywhere oversold. Obviously, man, we are not overbought. So yeah, you see. Oh, there are many orders coming. So one Bratan writing, there are many orders coming. Where at which level coming many orders, guys? So yeah, this is for Bitcoin, guys. Do you want to that I watch Ethereum also? I can watch also Ethereum, guys. So let us watch on Ethereum. 20K is very important level to hold. Yes, 20K is very important. Yeah, Amber Heart showed up here in the charts, guys. This is why we see here so a huge dump and so much shit all over the place, right? So where's Ethereum? So let us watch Ethereum. So Ethereum, wow, shit, man. So if we're going back here, back on the past, guys, we see here we are right now on a huge support at Ethereum, $1,200, a huge support. So the next support, if Bitcoin goes down to 22,500, I'm seeing here very clearly that we will see Ethereum also at, wait a minute, I have to turn off wait a minute. So I see clearly that we are going down to 1040. This is the next support between 1100 1040, because you see here a lot of support. And if we break also 1040, so I mean, guys, I trade Ethereum or altcoins only if I see Bitcoin dumping or pumping, because they just following right? They just altcoin just following Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin break 22,500, I see Ethereum between 1,100 and 1,040, and if Bitcoin breaks to 20,000, I see Ethereum even at $740, because this is the next huge support. Man, just imagine what an opportunity, guys. You have to think the other way. 740. If Ethereum goes to 740, man, I will cry because of happiness. Because imagine if we're going to 740, or even right now we are 1,200. Guys, watch every time the bigger picture, because yes, I mean, we are trying to trade, right? We are trying to outperform the market with 1% of our money, right? By the way, on Bybit 4,620 for free after initial deposit. Link is down below. Claim your bonus, guys. It's only 30 seconds to register. Link is down below. But the most of the money, you, in my opinion, it's not a financial advice, you should have hodl and just buying through dollar cost average. And just imagine, we are right now at $1,200, right? We will see in the next bull market Ethereum clearly at 4,800. You see, previous high was at 4,800. This is 4x nearly, and I expecting the next bull market that we are even go to 8,000 or even 10,000. Just imagine, this is 8x, right, to the upside. You can 8x your money. But people forget it also on Bitcoin, guys. Watch out for what huge opportunity this is. Bitcoin is right now at $23,000. I mean, our previous high was around $69, right? And I love 69, you know what I mean? So this is even a 3x, right? 3x to the upside. And in the next bull market, Bitcoin will for sure, in my opinion, go between 80,000 and 100,000, right? So this is another 4x which you can make on your money in the long term if you're watching long term. So this way, very important to watching long term, right? So let us watch again Ethereum. Yes, in the immediate short term, we see right now here huge support, right, at 1,200. Our next support, if we're breaking down, is 1,100, and the next would be 740, 750. If we're going to 750, I hope we are going to 750. Then we can make, I mean, I would buy a lot of. I also bought right now Ethereum on dollar cost average, but I'm watching for another short opportunity. 1,100 would be, it's 9.5%, 10x average 95%. If we're going to 750, we can short down even 40%, 10x average 400%. So this could be another huge opportunity. But let us watch on the immediate short term, guys, quickly again. On the immediate short term, where we can take a trade. Wait a minute. Let's go on the 4 hourly right now. Wow, man, this looks everything so horrible. So let us watch. So 24,000. If we're breaking 23,900, right, guys? If we're 23,900, our next price target. But I don't expect that we are breaking 23,900 because we are so oversold. Our next price tag would be 22,500, but I would take profits at 22,600. This could be another trade opportunity of 5%, 10x average 50%, right? But only if you break 23,900 with the clear 15-minute candle down with the clear selling volume, right? So then I would short down long. I would, if we break 24,000 with the clear 15-minute candle, I would long Bitcoin. If you break with the clear 15-minute candle, 24,000 to, wait a minute, I would long to approximately, I mean, the first price tag would be 24,500, maybe slightly below. It's 2% opportunity, 10x average 20%, and the second price tag would be around 24. 760, it's 3.2%, 10x average, it's 32%, and then obviously the next price tag would be around 25,400, it's 6.1%, 10x average 61%. This is my price target. So again, quick summary, guys, if we're breaking 24,000 with the clear 15-minute candle, I would long Bitcoin. If you're breaking with the clear selling candle, 23,900 with the clear 15-minute candle, I would short Bitcoin. But like I told you, I'm expecting here that we will see, wow, look how oversold we are. We are heavily oversold. I'm expecting here a pump to the upside, guys. And yes, to be honest, I am already in a long position, because like I told you, I expect that we see some we will see some going up, but yeah, some bounce back. But we have to see. I mean, if not, I will make another long opportunity at 22,500. But wow, we are dumping again, guys. Look at this, we are again dumping. Wow, man, this is crazy. Let us watch 50-minute candles. Wow. Yeah, I mean, if we're closing, for example, on this candle, I would like, it's closing in 10 minutes, I would like to see more volume and a huger candle down, so we could short down further, right? Short down to 22,600, right? Wow, let's watch, guys. This is crazy, man. This is crazy. The market is crazy. So tell me, do you have any question? Michael Saylor selling. Michael Saylor get liquidated, guys. So tell me. Yeah, I have to wipe out my screen. Do you have any questions, guys? Do you have any questions? Please write me down below. I'm just joking. Yes, Michael Saylor for sure not got liquidated, guys. And don't forget, guys, to everyone who's new to our community, 8,720 bonus right now, claim. Link is down below. You get 4,620 for free after initial deposit on Bybit, and you get on Bybit 30 days, zero maker fee. Link is down below, guys. And also join our trading team. We are right now, I think we are right now the biggest Bybit trading team. And if we are winning as a trading team, so if you're trading anyways, it doesn't matter, you can join. It's one click. A link is also down below. And then if we win as a team, if we make as a team good trades, we can win several millions in a prize pool, right? Yes, this shirt will be available, guys, at 6 p.m. German time. You have any questions, guys? If you have any questions, write me down below. If you have any questions. Michael Saylor getting liquidated. Man, if Michael Saylor gets liquidated, this is, it's over. Yeah, dollar cost average. This is the thing, guys. People forget it every time. I mean, we speaking here about we're speaking here about Bitcoin dumping. We're speaking about here trade opportunities, for example, to short Bitcoin or to long Bitcoin, like I told you, right? But this is only should be, in my opinion, not a financial advice. 1% of your whole money, the 99% of your money should be on buying on HODL, right? This is I'm very lucky, guys. By the way, I sold at $1,800 Ethereum, so I can buy it back a bit cheaper. And right now I bought 50,000 on dollar cost average. This is what I mean, just dollar cost average buying. This is most important thing. Deine deutsche Variante wäre es. Ja, ich würde gern auch deutsche, but I got a lot of questions, brother. We are now officially pray for the beers. What do you mean pray? Why we? Big Mouth, I'm crypto. What's I'm crypto liquidated? Shit, brother. White data. Zieht bald nach data. What is data? Coffee is good. This is black Americano. Big Balls Jamie now also 10. Yes, because we have with him a bet that he said 26,500. The bottom is in. The bottom is in. Every video he called the bottom is in, and I told him, Bratan, the bottom is not in. We will see a new lower low, because it's very clear in my opinion. Because this is very important, guys. Don't forget the bigger. Watch the bigger market, right? Zoom out. Watch the bigger market. Watch the news. Look, the one thing, the inflation is going higher and higher. So this month, the last month, May, the inflation rate was 8.6%. Food was over 20% up. Gas was over 60% up or something like that. Just imagine, inflation goes higher and higher, and if you zoom even bigger out, we will have food shortages, right? I have to turn off the. Wait a minute. We will have the food shortages, right? The food shortages, for example, Russia and Ukraine, because of the shit war between Russia and Ukraine, or Russia and USA, better to tell, we have the problem. Ukraine cannot export corn, for example, right? And corn is very important for bread and so on, because all the files are with mines, minen, how it's called in English. In Russia, they also can export because of the sanction, or they don't want also to export. So we will have really big food shortages. And the thing is, for us, yes, we could not. The food will be expensive, more expensive, because they have to export from somewhere, or in some place we will not find even food. For example, in USA had this problem right now with baby food, right? They had to fly in baby food. They hadn't baby food in the store. Just imagine USA, like we're speaking about one of the mightiest countries, right? And this is one problem which we still have. Therefore, it was clear that the bottom is not in. And right now, for me, it's still not the bottom in, because I don't know how they will solve the problems. The second thing is, because of the zero COVID policy of China, they closed fabrics which are exporting, for example, chips for phones, right? And if they're exporting chips for phones, we will see. So usually the markets are buying 3 months in 3 months. They have for 3 months chips, right? For example, for phones, for your PlayStation, and so on. But right now, after 3 months are gone, so right now it's 1.5 months or something. They won't have chips to build phones, to repair phones, for all the electronic stuff, for TV, for PlayStation, and so on. So so there will be a big supply chain shock, because the whole supply chains, because of the COVID zero policy in China. My English is not the best. This will be huge problems, which we will see in Europe and USA. Also, the whole problem about export of China, right? Usually, China exported through. So one of the cheap export delivery things are train, right? But the train goes through Russia, so Russia blocks this because obviously they get sanctions. They're blocking the train to Europe, so the railroad. So this is another problem. So it will be expensive because they have to fly it, and they fly it also. They are not allowed to fly over Russia, so they have to go through Europe or some different ways, right? So this is another thing because the plane has to use more gas. This will turn on. The gas prices further up, you understand? So this is the bigger picture which I wanted to show you, why I was sure that the bottom is not in. I just explained you, it was not I want to bet why the bottom is not in, you know. You understand what I mean, guys? It's very complicated to explain right now, but I hope you understand. Your president, Bratan, I kiss you. Yeah, holding some altcoins, Bratan, but they are all down. I have to Tether Hurricane. What happened with Tether? Tether is also going down or what? Let us watch Tether. What is happening with Tether? Wait a minute, guys. USDT losing peg? No way. You have to open. Wait. Ich wünschte, du wärst mein großer Bruder, Bratan. Bin ich doch, Bratan. Ich bin für euch, ich bin großer Bruder. USD. Very important to watch right now. The stock market will open at 9:30 US time, guys. This is very important to watch. Whoa, shit, what happened with USDT, man? Wow, USDT losing also peg, guys. Look at this. Wow, they want to destroy crypto, man. Wow, ёб твою мать. Man, we saw here a huge drop down, but right now again. We are watching right now on the daily. I mean, it's still not so dramatic like, but you know, stablecoin should be stablecoin, 18% down. Sun DP wird heute, S&P, yeah. Let us watch S&P 500. Let us quickly watch S&P 500, guys. Because, you know, we are not in the stock market, but we have to watch the S&P 500 because S&P 500 is very important to watch. Look, for example, this the S&P 500 close to 3,900. Wow, 3,806. We are watching the futures. It's still not open, but ёб твою мать. Pizdец. We created a new lower low on the S&P 500, guys. Wow, shit. But we are right now on a huge support also at the S&P 500, guys. But this is what I mean, guys. You see? What? Man, this is huge. This is crazy. Yeah, we see also huge volume. Guys, and I look, and now, guys, and now I show you this one. This is also one of the reasons why I think it will even getting worse. I think it will even getting worse. Stay here with me because I want to show you the S&P 500 and I want to show you how crazy we saw a dump at the 1920s, in the 60s and 2008. This is nothing, guys. This is nothing. S&P 500 is always connected to the crypto market. If you see huge dump in the S&P 500, we see also huge dump in the crypto market. Sometimes not one-to-one, right? Not at the same time, but then the next day. And I want to show it because for all of us, I'm dollar cost average all the way down. Dollar cost average, it's the best thing. I just want to show you it can getting even worse. But in my opinion, maybe we see it the other way. It's not getting worse. We have even more opportunities to buy back. You know. So look at this. Right now we are watching the S&P 500 on the daily, right? And if we are watching, or let us watch maybe even on the weekly, right? So we are watching on the weekly the S&P 500, right? And watch this. Everyone right now is crying and saying, "Oh, we are so far down. We are only 20% down." What we saw the Corona dump. Let us watch the Corona dump. So what happened at the Corona dump? We are watching. Here, wait a minute. Suka black. So we are watching on the weekly. So we are only 20% here down, right? So what happened on the Corona dump? Corona dump was here at 2020, right? When we saw here this big Corona dump in the S&P 500. We're watching S&P 500, guys. So we saw a dump of 35%, guys, 35%. So that means we can here see at least another 15% down, guys, another 15% down. Then we would be here back on our previous high at 2020. You see this? You see this, guys? 15% down in the S&P 500, guys. 15% is in Bitcoin like or Ethereum normal, right? But 15% in the S&P 500, it's like 100% in Bitcoin down. So if we see down 15% down the S&P 500, still further going down, and this also, by the way, the biggest support when we see here another 15% down. This is what still I'm expecting. Then, guys, we will see Bitcoin at least at $20,000 or even $15,000, right? So let us go further back. In my opinion, if we are going here down, we will see clearly. If we see another 15% dump S&P 500, we will see Bitcoin at $20,000, 100%. So let us watch another dump. 2008, the big real estate bubble. You remember, right? So what happened here? How much dump we had, guys? We're measuring together with you. 58% ёбаный рот, блядь. You see it, guys? Пиздец, блядь. And you're talking about, блядь, huge crash. We are far away from a huge crash. 58%, ёб твою мать. 58%, блядь. We are right now only... Watch this, guys. Watch this. Watch this, блядь. Look at this. We have right now a dump of around 20%, right? 58% by 2008. This would mean another 38% dump, another 38%. Guys, let me watch how much it would be. 38, another 38%. This was also the reason, guys, when I told you, this was the reason. Oh, I have to. This was the reason why I had this bet with Jamie that the bottom is not in, and right now is still the bottom not in, because you see there are a lot room to go down. We are still heavily overbought at the whole market. I mean, because it's the inflation rising, all the, you know, all this shit. So. Another 38%. So if we see dump like we saw 2008, this real estate bubble would us bring, look to the previous bottom, we would create a triple bottom, you see? I mean, yes, golden opportunity here, Kazi Road. This is another golden opportunity, but if we see another 38% dump like we saw 2008, guys, what happens then? If we see this another 38%, Bitcoin, I see Bitcoin 15,000 and Ethereum maybe at $500 or something like that. But guys, just imagine if we see Bitcoin so low, this is another huge opportunity, because what said Warren Buffett? When blood is on the street, this is the biggest opportunity for us, right? So go right now, work, get your hard sphere one euro job, so that you have enough money for later invest in Bitcoin if we see this huge dump, right? Not financial advice, my opinion. So, but guys, I'm not finished with you. I'm not finished. Stay here with me. I'm not finished with you. We have here right now, we have the Corona dump. We analyzed Corona dump. We had Corona dump, how much? 30% or something like that. We analyzed with you. No, here this was the real estate bubble. We talked about the Corona dump, right? So right now, let us further go down. We have the .com bubble. You remember .com bubble was will often, we see here, this is the .com bubble which popped up, and this will be often this .com bubble. Man, I make here financial education right now, but I'm very bad at it, so don't hear it with me. If you hear what I'm saying, you will lose all your money, guys. So this is .com bubble. And this will be compared often to crypto, because this is when everyone throwing money into websites, you know, into websites, and startups which are something had something with internet or like that. So you understand what I mean. So here we had a dump of another 50%. You see, this is nothing, guys. The bubble not popped. on no resistance, all the biddy will go down more. Okay, I'm watching on the weekly, guys. Watching on Crypto Bro. Thank you very much for this information. I will watch on the weekly. I will watch for you guys. Let us watch at the end. Let us make this quick analysis at the S&P 500, because S&P 500 and Bitcoin, they are connected. You see, .com bubble 50%. So 2008 bubble to the real estate bubble 58%, .com bubble 50%. Here the Corona dump, which we saw here, was 35%. So we are far away from that the bubble popped, right? So we can see even more. And right now, guys, let us go back to the Great Depression, which was 1920, 1930. We are going right now really back at the time, guys. You know, this is the time when you couldn't. This was the sad time when you couldn't go on just YouPorn on jerk off. You know, you just had to use your imagination. And right now we are going here back, and this was the Great Depression, 1920, 1930. This when we saw here a lot of suicide people doing suicide and so on. Right? I would never do suicide because of money, guys. This is the most stupid idea what you can do. So 1930, 1920. So how much dump we had here? And now here, stay here with me, guys, and watch this. I measure it with you together. So if we are measured here, I mean, you see, even they couldn't draw good lines here. So look at this. You are ready, guys? You're shitting in your pants. 85%. 85% dump was in the Great Depression in the 20s, 30s. 85%. 85%, guys, 85%. I repeat it. In the Great Depression, we saw a dump of 85% when the market dumped. 85%. Now let us go to our where we are now. 85%. And I remember you guys. You are right now crying in your bed because you're sitting and smelling the whale shit all around you, right? But this dump is only, again, I repeat it, guys. This dump, which we see right now in the S&P 500, is still only 20%, guys. Ain't 20%. In the Great Depression, we saw a dump of 85%. Let us watch what would happen if we see here dump of 85%. This would be another 65%. Guys, look at this, where we would be at 704. At 704. When we had last time the S&P 500 price at 704. Let us watch at 704. Let me make here a line. Then we're watching here at 704, guys. Where is it, Bled? If we see, I mean, guys, if we see Bitcoin, if we see, I remember you, we are watching the S&P 500, right? The S&P 500 is stock market, right? But the S&P 500, if the S&P 500 dump, we see also crypto dumping. If we are going to 700, I see Bitcoin at $10,000. I tell you this, guys. I mean, this would be the worst case. And when we saw, look back in the time, S&P 500 was at $700 when the real estate bubble popped. It was 2008, you know, and 2008 was the big time when they printed money like crazy. Why they printed money like crazy? Because they wanted to rescue the market, right? 2008, they wanted to rescue all the banks that they not pop. So you see. Guys, if we are zooming out, you see there's a lot room to go. You see, because from the time here, 97 to 2008, we saw here the Fed not printed so much money. But when we saw this real estate bubble pop, they printed like crazy. Look, we go really parabolic. You see. You see, and right now we have to. It's still not. We have to cool down because if we are not cooling down here, I mean, we will get into a hyperinflation. This when you're going to buy your condoms, and your condom would not be $10. Your condoms will be 1.5 billion. You know, and then you're making a lot of kids which you not can pay off. You know, so you see, there's a lot of way to go down, right? Let us watch. What do you think? One, if you think we will see another 20% down, so then we will see a dump like the Corona dump, or two for a 50% down, then it's another dump like we saw here in the real estate bubble, 50% dump. Or if you think we will see a dump like Great Depression here to $700, it's 80% dump. Three. Write me down below. What do you think, guys? Ich lese Bratan How to Win Friends and Influence People. Sehr gutes Buch, kann ich dir nur raten. Great example with condoms, right? Corona dump, okay, Corona. I hope also. But guys, we should do live trading. Yeah, I maybe should, but join our Telegram group, guys. Link is down below. Look, because in our Telegram group, I told you about this. Look at this. Wait, I show you here. I told you to there's a short opportunity if we're breaking 27,900, right? This was a very clear opportunity to short Bitcoin down. I slept by it. I told you guys. So whoever did take this opportunity, congratulations. And don't forget, guys, for everyone who's trading Bitcoin or just buying on spot, go right now on Bybit. You got 4,620 for free after initial deposit. If you don't have initial deposit, you still get on Bybit 30 days zero maker fee. It costs you only 1 minute registration. The link is down below, guys. Link is down below. Verheiratet, Bruder. So, wait a minute. Oh. Yes, I'm right now in a long Ethereum, guys. I'm right now in long Ethereum, but I think I take some profits. $250 in profit, 23% in profit, 25,000 in contract size, right? So this is right now on Ethereum, and Bitcoin is right now $324 in minus. But yes, we will see. I expecting here, like I told you guys, it's difficult, but I don't expect here. I expecting here some how it called blood, some bounce, because we are heavily oversold. We are, look at the 4 only. But let us quickly watch on the weekly, guys, what is happening on the weekly here. Let us watch what is happening on the weekly. On the weekly, yes, we see also here, look at this. If you're watching on the weekly candles, we see here a lot of support. You see here at this level at 23,700 and 24,000. So if we break this level, you see the next huge support is coming $20,000. But I think we will still have a 22,500 some support. In my opinion, guys, because freut mich, Big Bro, ich küsse dich, Brother. So in my opinion, guys, I told you, we see on the daily this bullish divergence, right? We see here this bullish divergence on the daily. So I expecting, and we are heavily oversold. So technically, I expecting here some bounce back. But what not means that right now is bottoming. Why not? Because we spoke right now about the S&P 500, right? About the S&P 500 and about the bigger picture of the whole market, right? You understand? And if you don't subscribe to this channel, guys, subscribe to the channel. We are around 360 persons, guys, and 132 likes only. If you appreciate what I am telling you, my knowledge, make a like, guys, because this makes me very happy and motivating me. It's for you only one click, but for me it's it makes me very happy. Sometimes so happy like I have sex, So 140 likes, 150 likes, very nice. Thank you, brothers. Thank you. So I think we can reach 200 likes or 250 maybe. This would be amazing, guys. Great Depression. No, World War III, I don't think we were. I love you, brothers. I love you. Pocholetten kommen in den nächsten Wochen. But today is coming, guys. Today's release of my new collection. For example, if you want this T-shirt, 6 p.m. German time, filatov-berlin.de or .com. You can order here. It's only, I don't know, 25 or 30, $35. I don't know. Check it out. It's nothing compared to crypto. So check it out. we are delivering all over the world, if you want. 181 likes. Schaffen wir 200, Bratans? 340, we have, I forgot now I speak German. We have 180 likes, 335 people online. Will we get 200 likes? Would be amazing, guys. And if you have any worst Bitcoin monthly RSI ever, I don't. January 2019, bottom Bitcoin to RSI. On monthly, or where are you watching? And only 3 likes till we reach 200 likes. Only 3 likes missing, guys. 199 and yes, 200. Thank you, Bradans. Давай вот так, бац, блядь. Thank you. Wow, Crypto 300k liquidated. Shit, this is very bad, guys. Somebody asked how you can find strength to invest in these times, guys. This is the thing. If we see market dumping, this is where the most people going out of the market. But this is the baddest thing, in my opinion. It's not financial advice. What you can do, because if the market dumping, this is where you can make money. If you then invest, because if you're investing, if everyone is talking about crypto, if it's in every newspaper, then we usually reaching the top, and then you're investing and lose all your money. This is what called you buying the top and selling the bottom, right? But if everyone not speaking about, if everyone hating crypto, if everyone saying it's a scam, this is when you should invest in Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin or Ethereum, because this is usually when we are near the bottom, then to the top, right? Oh, I'm so nervous, man, that I want to shit. You know, usually when you drink some coffee, you want to shit. Guys, do you have any questions? If you have any question, I will answer, or I will go offline. Do you have any questions more? Nach Slavi Crypto laufen, dann auch gerne Schnellformat. Hast du nicht Bock, einen weiteren Kanal zu machen? Der könnte ja kurz nach Slavi Crypto laufen, dann. Du meinst Krypto-Kanal? I don't do, guys, I tell you honestly why I don't do a German channel in crypto. I say it in English. I don't do a German channel in crypto because in Germany usually the people thinking it's scam, you know, and I don't want that people who I don't want to have this bad energy, because if you're doing on German, and in Germany some people know me, they would think, he's doing scam, he's scamming people, but only because I invest in crypto and I'm interested in crypto and I'm very enthusiastic in crypto and I have all my money in crypto, you know, but therefore I don't want this bad vibe, so I do it on English and I reach also more people in English, you know. This is the reason why I'm doing it on English, but I have also a channel, guys, in Russian. In Russian I have also a channel, but there's a guy who's translating me. The channel called Cryptogopnik. Where's the channel? It's in Russian. Wait a minute, I show you. It's linked down below, guys. Link is also in the description. Bitte mach deutschen Kanal. Bratan, ich habe gesagt gerade, weil ich... So do you have any question, guys? What do you think about VeChain? I think VeChain, I was invested also in VeChain. Luckily I sold it. VeChain, I think it has a big potential, but I want to see more what they're doing, you know. Right now VeChain invested in... was geht ab, was ab, Bratan? Here, Big Balls Jamie is here, guys, come.
Yo.
So, we are again like a couple, right?
I read again.
Yeah. So what do you think, Bratan?
Yeah, you won the bet.
Yes?
$1,000.
Yeah, the people are writing the whole time, where are your money, where are your money? But to be honest, I owed him $1,000, so we are on zero right now.
Yeah,
so, but I won 2 bets and you won 1 bet.
Why 2 bets?
Because I won the first bet where I bought this Louis Vuitton bag. This was the first bet which I won. The second I lost. The second I lost, and the third I won. So 2 bets I won, 1 you. But we have to do another one. What do you think right now is the bottom end?
No.
When is
If we lost this 28,000, 19K.
what?
19,000.
What
It's
19?
best case scenario.
19,000, yeah.
Yeah, it's best case. We can go to 13,000 even.
Yes, the thing is, I made right now, I analyzed right now S&P 500, and it's crazy. It's crazy what we could see. We could see so huge further down, but yeah,
Look, 23K now, huh? Yeah, crazy.
23,900. Yeah,
There's no support. There's nothing down here.
yeah. There's only here support.
Small one here.
I don't know, John. Yeah, we have here only support at. I mean, at 22,500 we have some support. At 22,500 on the daily we see here. I mean, we see here also on this week. But the next huge support is at 20,000, 19,000.
Yeah, that's the strong one.
Yeah.
And then after this, the real support is down here. 10K.
Just imagine, yeah.
This is not really like a little bit, but here is like a really support.
Just imagine.
It's possible, very possible.
Yes, it's
10K.
possible. Because the S&P 500, if we are watching the S&P 500, we
Yeah,
dumped
everything's
only
getting smashed.
20%. But on the Corona dump, we 50% down.
Jamie, he's a sportsman. I kiss you. There's a funny joke between me and my fiance. I kiss you too.
What?
When we went into Georgia, there was this gypsies, and they're like following me, and like, give me money, so give me money,
yeah,
please,
yeah.
Mr. Sportsman, Mr. Sportsman, and her Mrs. Model, Miss Model.
Ah, you told the community
No.
that? How they know it?
She just said, Mr. Sportsman,
Huh?
because my shirt and the muscles.
Yeah?
It must be.
Wow. So guys, you have any question?
I have all my MCRT, which I can't sell because it's my project, and play to earn game is long term. But everything else, investings, I'm seed investing a lot of projects. I haven't sold these, but all my liquid cash is in USDT and USD.
USDT, you have to be careful. Look at
Yeah,
this,
yeah,
what
it's
happened
great.
USDT. They're losing pack again, man. Look at this.
Yeah, shit.
Look at this, USDT losing again, man. I mean, it's not so bad like it was before, but it's still again losing. Look.
And a lot more can fly out now. Yeah, I owe you 1,000.
Yeah.
Let's pay the 1,000. It's more. Okay, we'll get cash, and I give you 1,000 in cash. It's
Oh
more
yeah,
sexy.
in cash, yeah. Look at this. Bam. We're losing pack and USDT. Very, very dangerous. So having USDT for trading is okay, in my opinion.
to
But
be USDC.
but for if you're holding a lot of money just for holding, for buying back on dollar cost average, better in my opinion USDC or BUSD. This is what
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
currently holding.
I'm gonna switch. I'm look right now. I'm moving 100,000. I'm gonna put
Wait a minute, I should.
760. Maybe I'll put 74,000 into USDC from USDT. So look, I'm buying 74,000 USDC with USDT. Buy. So I just converted now. So now I'm gonna have, before I had 100 and something thousand USDT here. Now I have like 49,000 BUSD and 74,000 USDC, and 40,000 now USDT. So I split them between the three. This is on this account, and I do it on this account as well.
And guys, we are trading on Bybit. This is also what right now Jamie showed you. Bybit, you get right now 4,620 for free after initial deposit. And on Bybit, you get right now 30 days zero maker fee. Link is down below. It's only working through this link because otherwise you get only $400. Link is down below.
And I like USDC more, guys, because it's a publicly
also
traded
again?
stock. Here I'm converting $100,000 into USD, from USDT. So now I've got 153 in this account. There's $314,000. I made USDT into BUSD 100,000, USDC 58,000. But I'll get more. I'll put more USDT into USDC. So I'll do another. Is that order still executing? Buy USDC. Yeah, I'll buy another 43,000 of USDC. Done.
Yeah, so fast. It's very fast, but
Yeah.
guys.
So now 100,000 in this account, 100,000 USDT, USDC, BUSD. So 300,000 in.
I bought right now $50,000 on dollar cost average Ethereum, and luckily I sold 1,800 at 1,800. I sold, and right now I'm buying back Ethereum and dollar cost average back.
Yeah, but slowly.
Slowly, sure, because we can look at this how far we can go down. Ethereum.
Yeah, Ethereum has no support till 600. to here is the real support.
Yeah, it's around 700.
Not mocha. Not mocha.
Okay, latte with low-fat milk and
No mocha? Why? You're not?
me on diet.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're getting super fit.
You want to be skinny fat?
I want to be skinny shredded.
Can you order for me a Americano, please? Thank you. Jamie paying right now for everything, right? This is very good that you're still kissing your daughter, man.
Now look, so this on this account, so in here is like 180,000. You can see I split it between the three: USDC 74,000, BUSD 49,000, USDT 40,000. And then on Binance, I've got the same three: USDT 110,000, USDC 102,000, BUSD 102,000. But I think it's still too much USDT.
I'd be very careful with you. I would use USDT for only for trading.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm using USDT only for trading, guys. So, yes, but here again, let us quickly watch on Ethereum, guys. Let's have a quick watch. We are watching right now on the weekly, and yes, we are finding right now support. But if we break this support at 1,000, which is right now at 1,226, our next support would be here at around $900, $1,000 around, and then the next support is around $700. This is what I told you, and this could be a short opportunity, right? So if Bitcoin break 23,900, we can short down again to 22,500. Wait a minute, 22,000. Yeah, wait a minute. I show you here. So here we are again on. Here you see, so there's a next support coming in. It's not a big support at 22,700, 600. So we can short down if we're breaking with the clear candle 23,900 with the clear 15-minute candle with the clear selling volume. This could be a short opportunity. But in my opinion, I think right now we could see here some bounce back to the upside. To the upside, we could see it to even 28,500. We could see even. No, not to 28,500. Wait, I'm on the daily again. Wait a minute, I go on the 4 hourly and I show you. Yeah, here. We could see to 27,300 a bounce back. This is what we could see here because we are heavily oversold. Look at this, man. It's black. We are completely capitulation. So at least we have to see some consolidation, in my opinion, right now. And whoa, Bitcoin is pumping. 24.
There's going to be so much panic now.
Yes.
Everyone's going to convert everything out. You're long?
Yes. Here. I'm long right now, guys. Ethereum, I'm right now $500 in profit, 56%, and Bitcoin is right now $20 in minus. But it's going up. Bitcoin is pumping. Maybe I take profits, $500 in profit on Ethereum here, you see. On Ethereum, on Bitcoin right now, $50 in minus. Because I think we are so oversold that I think we have to see some bounce back to the upside, or at least some consolidation. Guys, this is what I showed you. It's on Bybit. Like I told to everyone who's new right now, on Bybit you get 4,620 for free after initial deposit. And if you don't have initial deposit on Bybit, you get 30 days, zero maker fee through my link. Link is down below, 30 seconds registration. Wow, there's a huge... Yeah, this could be double bottom. But if this would be double bottom...
No, but it's already lower, right?
A little bit, yes, a little bit. But wait a minute, we have to watch. I mean...
Very little bit.
But no, this is actually at Binance. If we are watching the index, then we are... then you see we are creating a really lower low here. But watch this, the theory about WYCKOFF accumulation. Look how interesting this is. Look, wait a minute, I open the...
You drew this, or it's a...
I draw this, yeah,
nice.
I draw this. Wait a minute, I show you. Look, if you're watching the theory, this is the WYCKOFF accumulation pattern. Let me show also for the people. So look at the Wyckoff accumulation. We see here we're creating a new lower low first, then we create a new higher high, and then we create a new lower low, right? And look at this. If we had here a lower bottom, right? Then create new high, and then maybe we're creating right now a new lower low, and after it we should see a new high, a relief rally, but it should be below the high. You see? He's not hearing me. You want again to lose $1,000, bratan?
Do you want OTC? Ron is getting like 80,000. I'll take some.
Which Ron?
Yeah, 10k or maybe 2. Yeah, 10k.
OTC?
Yeah, you need any? Yeah, 10k will be beautiful
How much?
for me. In 10k in dirhams, so like 40,000 dirhams.
How much percent?
I don't know. Ron is organizing for
Can you
himself.
ask?
Slavic. And how much percent fee?
So-
Usually it's less than 1%.
So guys, again, I show you we creating a bottom, then we making new higher high, and then we creating a second bottom, and after it we going to see a new higher high, but which is below our previous
Yeah,
high.
looks very
So
like this, huh?
this could be working out. So we create a new ST point, which is below our previous high, and then if we see right now a relief rally, which would end into a higher high, but which is below our higher high.
But this is the big.
Yes, and after
The
it,
test should have been not as low.
and after it we see, and after it, if, in my opinion, it's 100% confirmed if we see below a higher high, and after it we see dump, which is below our previous lows, right? So this should be our then bottom. This could spring, you see?
You're
It's-
saying that this is just the beginning part, phase B.
We are in the phase B right now. Yes, according to Wyckoff, we are right now in the phase B, right? Phase C will be confirmed if we are creating a new lower low. Then we are in phase C, and this is right now then the bottom, phase C, and then we see a rally to the upside. But I mean, this could go for weeks and months still, you know, because you see, I mean, this period is right
Amazing
now.
that Bitcoin is holding here. Very interesting.
Yeah, because we are heavily oversold. I mean, this period was
But what's holding
from
it? Now there should be
January
super panic. Now
to
everyone
June. I mean, this was 6 months. It could be that we see another 6 months till we create a new higher, not a higher high, but you know, here below our previous high, another 6 months. And then another 6 months for dump, and then this would be the bottom. So January would be the bottom. This could be, man. This also, when Ron told me that January 2023 we will have the bottom, you know? This is interesting.
Some crazy comment. But why can't
What?
you see the comment?
Yes, here?
You can block him.
Why? How?
He's
What?
saying like crazy shit.
What he's writing?
What means block?
What? Where is he?
It's like
This idiot.
there's something like remove his comment and block him from the
Yeah,
chat.
he is.
Still. Who wastes their time doing this? Like, how do you not have like so much of a life that you waste their time doing this?
Huh? What? I don't know why. It's so stupid,
Like
man.
how?
Is he
My
out?
channel is Crypto Guru.
Yeah,
YouTube.
check out his channel, Crypto Guru. Those big balls have YouTube channel. Yeah, Crypto Guru.
I should have called the
Big balls,
Bitcoin.
yes, big balls Bitcoin.
That'd
Yes,
be
man.
nice.
So what we see bouncing. We are bouncing here. Or yes, they made also good profits.
Hello, Merrick. Well, I should go live with you. This is nice. Can we do 2 lives or what will happen?
Nothing. You can go on your channel. I love you, Jamie. Someone writing.
Love you too, GameX. I love you all. Oh, from Australia, nice.
Juliana.
Bitcoin. When will
Eigenen Coin. Der muss Nutzen haben, Bratan. You are right about the Wyckoff. I knew. I kiss you, Bratan. Yes, we will see. Will it work 100% out or not? If we are right on the accumulation.
Crypto Slavic or Slavic crypto?
Crypto Slavic. Can you tag me? You see it? Ne, Slavic Crypto. Slavic Crypto. Твою мать, блядь. Slavic.
Cappuccino almond?
When?
So, bratans, if you have any questions, write me down below. ¿Tiene nada? Greetings from Croatia and thank you for your content. I kiss you, bratan. So if you have any questions, bratans, write us down below. We will answer you this question. Small pump. Yes.
2 live now.
Working? Nice. We are also live on his channel, bratans. Check it out. Crypto Guru. Crypto Guru. Wow. Guys, here I am in a live trade here with you right now. Right now I am $600 in profit on Ethereum. $600 in profit on Ethereum and $13 in profit on Bitcoin.
113, yeah?
No, $25 on Bitcoin in profit and $600 on Ethereum in profit. I'm expecting here a bounce back because we are heavily oversold on the 4-hourly. You see, we are heavily we are oversold on the 4-hourly, this one thing. And the second thing is we see here a huge bullish divergence. You see, you measure it from the downside, the other side is going up while the price is going down. So therefore, I'm expecting here a bounce back. No, can we have this, please? This one?
The whole thing.
The whole, yeah.
Do you
We need
use
for the
VPN
handy.
or something?
No, this whole. Huh?
Did you have to use VPN?
No. I use my normal.
It's big. Yeah.
I use my normal.
Internet?
Yeah. Maybe I take only this. Yes. I use my internet because here the internet is not working. I don't know why.
Yeah, no one joining on.
And frozen. Yeah. Charter and
Oh, you have to use 4G.
I use 4G. Yes.
Weird, because normally when I go live, I get so many people join very quick.
Good to see you. It's nice, right? And we are both in live with crypto, man. Guys, what do you think? Should I do a series about crypto? Do you want to see it? Tell me. I can make a series about Jamie, Chris, Carl, me.
Should not bring croissants?
Do you would like to see something like that? One in the chat if you want to see it.
Babe, if you go to my channel, is it logging in? Can you see the live stream? Unable to connect.
Ah, blood. Ah, yeah. Look, the people writing one. No, it's not.
I think this is the Russian channel or my channel?
no, yours.
Wait, guys.
Weird. Ah, okay, I see.
Well, ApeCoin, yes, ApeCoin. I think, guys, ApeCoin. I think this. It's very how it called in English. Vielversprechend. How it called? I don't know in English.
Cheap? Oversold?
No.
Not dangerous.
No. This whole project is very.
Big.
Yes, I think
Sexy.
it's a sexy and a big project. Let us watch together at ApeCoin right now. I think it's a very nice project because I think the team behind is very interesting, right? And in my opinion, I think they can build something very promising. Yes, very promising. That's the word. And I think this could be a very We could see here new higher highs in the future. Right now we are at $3.50.
Can you see if it works normal?
$3.50, and yes, I think we could here, if we're buying it on dollar cost average, we could see here a huge opportunity. I mean, to make even a 10x, right? We are right, something like 10x, yes, in the next bull run, right? But it's a more risky project than to invest in Ethereum or Bitcoin, obviously, right? But the more risk, the more rewards. You're online here also?
It's working now. People starting to join.
You are very handsome.
It was Oksana.
Really? Thank you, Oksana. So, this was, I analyzed right now ApeCoin, guys. So it's very promising project in my opinion, and in my opinion, it could be a huge opportunity to buying on dollar cost average. But this is only, please do your own research, guys. Very important. Do your own research on that. It's very nice with the iPad, right? You have this bigger.
You have two things as well.
Yeah.
Nice. It's very nice. But you need, how you charge all this stuff?
What do you
Oh,
mean?
you have charge here.
Yeah, I have to.
This is the new iPad, right? iPad Pro. Hello, beautiful people. Make sure you. We said this before on Slavic's Live, guys. Make sure you switch your USDT. I split it between BUSD, USDC, and USDT.
So people asking for ADA.
This guy's back.
Yeah, I blocked him again.
Next time you can tell Svetlana to block people automatically.
Yeah. So let us watch on Cardano, guys, because some people ask about Cardano. So we are watching right now. I show you. Wait a minute. Let's watch right now Cardano. So Cardano.
Hello, guys.
Wait a minute.
Room.
Cardano, we see right now here finding some support at, wait a minute, at 45 cents, right? We see here some support, but this is not a huge support. So if Bitcoin will further go down,
But what is this week?
I don't know. This was some liquidation week. So if we are, if Bitcoin falling further down, my next price target are $38. Why they again, Vlad? Твою мать. It's $38. The next support will be $38, and after the next support would be
We need it.
would be $34. So these are the next support. If we can hold this, after it, support would be $27, and the real huge support is here. The real huge support is at $17. So 17 cents. Sorry, it's all 7 cents, right? So this is on.
Crazy. Cardano went up to what?
Well, yeah, Cardano was up to what was it? $3. Yeah, Cardano was nearly $3, man. This is crazy.
Oh, but back here in 2021.
Yeah. Do you think Cardano is a scam?
Guys.
I don't think that Cardano is a scam, but they have to do something, you know, about it.
Now all projects, if you were here in 2017, most projects go to zero. So be careful.
Can you talk more about supermoon? What time specific does it go up, during the night or day, or supermoon? Did you hear the theory of the supermoon? Do you want to see it? So look, the supermoon. This is crazy to all the people who are here. I analyzed everything about the supermoon. The theory, so supermoon called if the moon is the most near distance to the Earth, right? And people saying, you know, this theory about the moon phase, when we have full moon, then we see huge pump. And some people telling, so tomorrow we will have another supermoon, right? Tomorrow will be supermoon, and people say if we have a supermoon, we'll see huge pump, right? And based on the past, I made an analysis about the supermoon. I show you also here, and also to everyone who is.
Pumps on the full moon, huh?
Yes, but a supermoon is special because this is the nearest, right? And in the past, we had here some supermoons, and look at this, 2020. Wait a minute, I show you. 2000. Guys, wait a minute. So 2020, we had a supermoon at March 9th March 2020, right? We had a supermoon, and look at this. Wait a minute. March 2020 was here. This was the supermoon. March 2020, and look, this one is the supermoon, and this was exact the bottom of the whole bear market. You see, after it we saw this huge pump
But
to
that
the
was
upside.
COVID.
No, this 2020
Yeah,
March.
COVID. March 2020 was COVID, the day of the COVID crash.
Really? Ah, yes. But we see here,
Yeah,
we
interesting.
see here supermoon. You know, this was the supermoon
Yeah.
when we saw we go up. The next supermoon 2020 was in April 8, 2020. April 2020 was, I think it was here. Yes. You see, after the supermoon we saw another huge pump, right? And the next one was on the 7th May 2020, and 7th May 2020 was here, right? Here was the 7th May, this was another supermoon, and we saw here again a huge pump, right? And if we're watching 2021 supermoon, the first supermoon was on 27 April 2021. This was here, 27 April was here. We saw huge pump, you see. But no, there was previous in 28 March also there was a supermoon. 28 March is here, you see here. We saw also huge pump to the upside, right? This was our high. And we had the supermoon on 24 June. And 24 June, you saw this also very interesting here. 24 June was here. We saw small pump, but after it we saw this second rally, you see? Second rally to the upside. And right now we will have, and tomorrow we will have another supermoon. So on the 14th June
Can I have an
will be
almond croissant?
a new supermoon. So 24 June will be another supermoon.
So supermoon is when the moon is full, and it's when it's the closest moon to the Earth.
Yes. So this not means that we are going to the moon, but based on the past, usually it was, yes, that was like the sign of a huge pump, right? This is, I mean, technically, why I'm expecting we will see relief rally, because we are heavily oversold, this one thing, and second thing, because we see bullish divergence on the daily, and also obviously because of this supermoon, but this is not this only theory, right? This is not.
Usually it pumps hard on the full moons. It's good theory. Like now everyone's panic selling. By the end of today, a lot of the people that wanted to sell will be out. E-gold is going to $29, but we're on a major support right now. Remember, Chris?
E-gold. Ah, yeah.
Remember? Holy fuck.
Fuck.
E-gold guys went from 400, 550.
This E-gold. Wait, I turn off the supermoon. The moon. This thing. Wow. At $40.
Here.
Wow, we are right now on major support on E-gold, guys. So this is a huge support at $40. When is the next support?
Here is a big one. 25 is after that, but here is a very big support for e-gold.
But 25, 26, 27 is the next huge support. So if we break further down Bitcoin, then we will see also E-gold 27.
Chart, nearly all charts erased the whole 2020, 2022.
Crazy, right?
For 2 years, the whole pump.
But look at this, it's like also like a huge head and shoulders. Look, we go to the minus, blood. To minus, you owe money, man, if you're holding E-gold.
This is like everything, huh? That's what else is like this? It's what's another major alt?
Solana, let us watch Solana. Solana, guys, you want to see Solana? Write one in the chat.
So USDT. Also, look, the whole pump and gone, all gone. The whole 2 years gone.
This is not the whole chart.
Solana USDT from 21st of August.
They started 21st August?
Yeah, it's not so old
really?
project, Solana.
Really? They start 21st August? You sure?
This is on KuCoin, yeah. KuCoin was quickly.
Fuck,
From $28 all the way to $240 and then all the way back.
So we are right now $27, but just imagine what an opportunity, bro. I mean, if this project survive, I mean, we will be sure back then at $200. This could be 10x. This is what you never should forget, guys. Slow rock, somebody writing. This is what you. Solana is the next Luna.
But see, how do we pull up browser? Can you open browser?
What do you want?
Because we can look at the market cap of the cryptocurrencies. Because
what do you want?
Coin market cap. So guys, this is that's on Twitter.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, Ron, what's up, bratan? We are right now in a live stream. How are you? Where you were?
Predicted the drop. Ah, good to see you.
This is a very nice guy. This is a very nice guy, bratans. So this is what we are usually doing the whole time, guys. We are chilling, drinking coffee, and analyzing all crypto. So what do we want
You're
to show?
happy, so that means you're like already all USD.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today was destruction.
I like to see
Crazy.
that. I won so many bets now.
Why?
Bitcoin going down below 24.
Yeah.
I also
Yeah,
won the
he
bet
won the
here
bet
with,
with me.
with Jamie.
Fine. We had $1,000 better when it got below 26. I said this
few
was
Ether bet.
capitulation.
I got few Ether. For
Oh,
this bet.
nice.
Few ether.
Yeah.
Shit, we had also to
Make bigger.
bigger $500,000 or something.
Now he asked me if we can pay in dirham. I said no.
Oh, is this the guy coming now?
No, it's fine.
How much ETH? Ron-
5.
Ron make a bet where he won 5 ETH. Wow. Crazy, man. This is very nice.
So he asked me if I can pay in dirham. I said no. Pay in. I want you to pay in it. I want me to put it in a clean wallet, and I want you to see that actually in 5 years
How it grow up,
it's
yeah?
gonna be $100,000
Shit.
that you lost.
Funny and cruel.
Yeah.
So what?
Ron is a VC in crypto. You want to be on the... You don't like... You want to be...
in the screen? Is it okay or you don't want?
What's that?
It's live
Live.
stream.
Live stream.
with YouTubers.
You want? No?
There's like 5, 6.
I can say hello. You want?
Ron is a VC in crypto.
Oh
guys.
shit.
Five ETH is worth $500 soon.
Shit. Just imagine, man.
So you hear everything, or
They hear everything.
nice?
No, you have no money.
Okay, we need the stands.
Yeah, I have.
Babe, we need to buy this phone stand. It's so much easier with phone stand.
What's about the red shirts? It's like a bear market.
This is the red candle, man.
Bear market fashion.
Bear
Yeah, we
market.
did it by accident, but it's true, huh?
Yeah.
Why are you in black?
Ciao.
Black is neutral. I mean, I'm quite happy about the old situation because I know the bottom is near, very near.
Yeah?
Yeah,
It's quick, huh?
very quick this time.
Yeah.
It's just gonna be.
Tell this to everyone, because your opinion, guys, Ron, he's been in this space for ages. He's a VC, he's a crypto VC. He predicted all of this. Okay, so you think the bottom is already near?
Yeah, actually, Bitcoin
yeah.
might go down to 18.
His opinion is very
Go buy orders
important.
at 19K.
How much? How much you say?
18.
Somewhere around 18. It could be a little bit higher. Not down than this, I think. If it could go to 800,
Yeah.
between 800 to 600, that's
Yeah.
my estimation, in the lowest point.
You're gonna start buying back in
I'm
at
gonna
this target?
I'm gonna buy a
It's so
lot.
quick.
So yeah, it was quick this time, the fall down, without any China banning anything. This is not the FUD this time. The FUD this time of this bear market is the DPEG. You know?
Ah, yeah.
So DPEG is the new China banning
But
crypto.
but you think USDT will be gone?
No.
Soon?
For sure not. USDT is very safe.
Should I make also here?
This is cool. We get these stands, and then it's like
Yeah.
a whole stadium with us.
Wait a minute.
How many people are there?
Mine just started now like 300, 200, and slightly is 400. But they know we'll do it.
Rotation is blocked.
Wait, just turn this glass thing. Okay, now try.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Nice.
So Ron predicted all of this, by the way. He said 69. He had a bet with Crypto that the top would be at 69.
Yeah, I said 69.
Yes, 69,000. He bet
On the dot.
he bet a private plane and a trip to like Thailand.
But what was the bet?
I said the top gonna be 69.
No way.
Yes.
Look, this guys, you say I'm
1 year
Nostradamus.
before.
He's Nostradamus.
Oh shit! Is this crack?
What?
It's crack.
What's crack?
Screen.
Ah, yeah, but this.
Oh, before.
I bought iPad and it fall down and then I was too lazy to change it. But bro, how much it was all in all? A private? You bet a private jet?
was-
Flight.
Yeah. I mean, it was like a nice trip to
So it was-
together to somewhere.
But this was like a bet for $100,000, right?
No less. Like a nice trip together somewhere. I mean,
But private jet alone.
but we
is
are not
about-
crazy people. Crazy people can take it to the million. Right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
We are very common people.
We are.
This other run was flipping coin. You know the other run?
Yeah.
Ethereum run.
I know.
Flipping coin for $1 million each flip.
What?
This other
But many
run,
times.
But
Yeah.
what he did?
He was flipping heads and tails, but $1 million bet. And they did it many times.
What again?
Heads or tails.
Heads or tails, flipping
If
coin.
you lose $1 million lost. And it
To you, for example.
Yeah,
You say head,
No,
I say.
someone play
You say
with someone
you
else.
say
Yeah,
head.
with someone. I mean, if
Yeah.
we saying like you say head, I say number.
Yeah,
and
you owe
then-
me $1 million. Now, you
No
owe me-
way. Did you hear it, guys? What the fuck?
You know the guy, right?
I don't know. I don't know him. I heard a lot about him.
Okay.
He,
Never mind.
but he invested really early, right, in Bitcoin.
Ethereum.
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 Wow, crazy man.
Can you imagine like it creates Ethereum, all these Ethereums? And people, wow, they held on to that something. You're smart, you sell everything. Ron closes his position.
Yeah, back in the
Someone
summer.
asked if you have a Twitter.
No.
He's VC,
He don't have anything.
he not do anything, he just make money.
Klar kann ich öfter über Krypto livestreamen, Brother.
How have you been? You're the happiest crypto VC ever.
Why?
Because everyone else is like dying, pulling their hair out, and you're like smiling.
I mean,
But you, yeah,
what's
you
to be
prepare.
said? I mean, it's like
Oh, you want to tell them how? You
the
wanna say
entry,
how-
my entry point become sooner now.
Yeah, very quick.
Yeah.
Do you
For
want to tell
me,
them how you lost in Luna C? When USD?
oh, I lost only 200K, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought it was 20 million something.
Me? No, 200K.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
On USD?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, not in USD, on Luna.
That's it. I only lost 200K. No,
Only lost 200.
but I, mean, I
In 2
thought it
hours.
was 20 million.
In 2
But
hours.
I.
Yeah. I thought it was 20 million.
No, 200K.
Oh, okay, nice. Thank God.
Thank God.
Yeah, much
Crazy man.
I mean, still a lot of money, right?
But do you?
No, not
But
after
when
I
do
said
you
20
think the
million.
bottom is in? When do you think exactly the bottom is in?
For me, what I'm looking at is market cap. I'm not looking
Yeah.
at BTC, I'm not looking at ETH, I'm looking
Market
at the
cap.
whole market cap, yeah. So,
Right now, the market cap is at $58 trillion. No, 461 billion.
And if 150 billion, they're still high.
So when yeah.
no, the entire market cap. Look at
yeah,
the entire market.
800 billion.
How much
nice
is the
space.
entire market cap? Where?
976.
976, right?
Yeah, and
So
the
at
last support
Fast
was,
nearly 1 trillion market cap, the whole market. And what
Yeah.
you watching?
and the support was at 800 billion.
So
What do you
for me, I'm looking at the last all-time high in the last bull market.
Yeah,
It
here.
was around 750
750. The
billion. Now, I
seven.
assume you can add to that 10%. It's
too far.
And that's going
You want?
to be
Yeah.
Wait. Can you again tell again what?
so according to my model.
Yeah.
If you look at the last bull run, all-time high market cap,
Wait a minute. I turn off this what I draw here. Yeah.
it was somewhere around 750
And this was the previous high.
billion dollars, right?
The previous previous
3
bear.
years, 2017 somewhere.
Here it was 750 billion, right?
Yes.
So
Somewhere in 2017,
Yeah,
right?
750 billion. Yeah.
So
We're very close.
I'm adding to that something like 10%.
Down.
No.
Up.
Up. Meaning
Up.
820 billion, something like that.
Oh, we're here.
Right?
We're already here. We're 100 billion off.
So I think this is the bottom for this round.
Already?
You
In
think-
one day? Like,
No,
not
I mean,
one day, but
it's not gonna go there.
it's
today.
already only...
Yeah, today is a major crash. I'm not
Today was
counting on
big,
it.
huh? What the
It can
fuck?
go up tomorrow. Obviously, it will.
It will, yeah.
But then it will slowly, gradually go down until we see a market cap of 800.
But what's
Million.
the...
Billion.
Why not start now if it's only 100 billion left?
Because you still have time. Still a lot of going to crash.
There is no reason, right?
And there is no reason to rush in.
Yeah.
Why? Because the market will not enter into a bull market until 2 years from now. Maybe more.
Guys, you're learning from a crazy big VC in the traditional space.
Yeah, guys, you have really to hear carefully what he's saying, because when Ron is speaking, everyone in the crypto space is calm.
Thank you. So what's the point of rushing in if we know that the bull run will come so late? So if we have 2 years to calculate our steps and moves, why won't we read what's going on in the market, what's the new trends, and then in 2 years try to anticipate the new trends and then make the alphas. So I can buy today Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, but what if I will buy in 2 years the next Solana that will make me 100x, 200x in the market? So this is what we're trying as VC to find. So there is time. Obviously in 800 it will be the bottom and it will be a very good entry point. So if I have like 100% of my stables, I will obviously in that time will buy 10% of my stables. I will buy some fundamentals. I will buy Solana, I will buy Bitcoin, Ethereum.
Solana completely erased.
All of them. All of Phantom, I will buy a lot.
And
right?
this
but
is
10 to 20%, and then I will wait 2 years, and then I will go all in. That's what I would do.
so. And the crazy thing is, if you only invest in the fundamentals, you make at least 10x, right? Because if you watch Solana,
Before the bull market,
Yeah.
you can make up to 200x.
Yeah.
Solana did that. Right?
Yeah, sure.
Solana I bought for $1.
crazy.
In
He
the
bought
market.
Solana $1, guys.
In the market.
And he didn't hold on till Solana was $27. When did you sell Solana?
Gradually, like I
You
sold
sold
all
it when it
the
was
time.
going up. So like nearing like 250, 240.
Elrond I bought for $0.50.
Wow, 50 cents.
Yeah.
Elrond he bought at 50 cents, guys, just imagine. But right now, I mean, for the people who are not VCs, who are not, I mean, if they right now buying on dollar cost average, Solana, Phantom, all this stuff, I mean, this will make at least 10x in the next bull run, or what do you think?
I think so, but I think there is more bottom to go to.
Yeah,
So we are still talking about 20% down,
yeah,
right? If we are going to the 800, so it's still 20% down. So this is what I anticipate, just down 80%, the entire market.
Yeah.
I'm not talking about this coin or that coin. That's for sure can do a lot of fluctuation.
Yeah.
But the entire market will go down 20% from now.
yeah.
So still wait.
Yeah. The crazy thing is, another 20%, this is what I talked also with my community, I showed them the S&P 500. And if S&P 500 goes another 20% down, then this is exactly the same dump like the real estate bubble, like the Corona dump, like the .com bubble, they all popped 50% down. So this would be, another 20% would be exactly around 40-50%. The S&P 500 would be also
I
down.
think it's like maximum 10% down, S&P.
No, it's right now 20%.
No, I mean more, farther.
Then it would be 30%.
20% more.
10.
I think 20. We should bet.
Maybe, no.
We should bet.
We shouldn't because it's fragile. It could be 20. But what I think is, and I'm not betting on that, only 10.
Yeah. I think because a big support coming. If we pop another 20%, then there's coming a big support. You know. Therefore, I'm thinking.
Okay, if you're one of these guys, one of our audience who hasn't sold anything, they hold on this whole thing, altcoins, Bitcoin, cut down or
Don't sell.
don't sell.
This is not the time to sell. All stick into it, wait. I mean, if you need the kidney and you need to sell, obviously. It's more important. But if you don't need the money like desperately, and you're just thinking about the future and you're thinking about making a lot of money, stick to it. I bet the next bull run will be something we never saw before.
You think it will be like crazy?
Crazy, like triple than this bull run.
Really?
Double to triple, yeah.
What do you think Bitcoin will go?
150, 180.
Wow, no way.
Yeah.
Just an Ethereum?
Ethereum could go to next time 15, 20.
Wow, 15, 20K Ethereum, just imagine. For example, I right now I just bought 50,000 Ethereum, for $50,000, because I want to take the small advantage of the small relief.
You will see
But
15x. You will see from now.
15x.
Something like between 10 to 15x, yeah.
This would be alone. This 50,000 would be alone $500,000. Just imagine, guys. Wow.
Do you guys have any questions for Ron?
And don't forget, guys, the more the market dumps, the more opportunities are in the market, like Ron also told.
Yeah.
What do you think XRP, the people are asking?
XRP?
Yes.
I'm not expert in XRP.
What to do? How do you make money in bear markets? What should they do now in bear market?
So if you are an expert, bear market is a beautiful time to make money. You are a day trader, you anticipate the shorts, the longs. You're doing like a lot of TA, it's very nice time for like finding alphas. But if you're not expert, just hold. Just hold the fundamentals, wait. If you feel the energy to buy and sell, don't do it. Go to the beach, drink something nice or coffee and relax. Bear market is the only time for experts to make money.
Yeah.
Nice.
All the others losing money. So just stay.
Or buying on dollar cost average, right? Just buying on dollar cost average, like every
Slowly
month,
buying.
slowly buying. What do you think about this theory?
I think it's a nice theory. As well if you're an expert. If you are not, and you are starting to buy in dollar average, then you are, sometimes you go down and you buy more and it goes down further and you don't know what to do. I mean, you spend all your money that you had, you get into panic. And in this point, a lot of people that don't have the knowledge how to handle those situations, just sell it all and say, okay, and then they are losing tons.
Yeah.
What I say is, this is not the time to make assumptions. This is not the time to make tricks of experts. Just stay, wait, listen, because the market is like crashing. And in those times, wait. Nothing will happen. The coffee of tomorrow will taste the same. Even
But
if you're not buy,
It's
sell,
like
buy.
Yoda, guys.
Yeah.
Coffee of tomorrow will taste the same.
I mean, yeah.
Bitcoin dumping again. What the fuck, lad? Yeah, 23,800.
Yeah, no recovery bounce, huh? Look at this drop from yesterday.
Wait.
The last 2 days.
Let's see.
Wow. Again, we're dumping 20.
But this can be double bottom maybe, but yeah, I think 19K.
Hopefully, because I'm in a long, guys, you know.
You're in long.
He opened it down here
Yeah.
Where?
at 23 or something.
Oh, it's okay. I think
Yeah, I think we could see here
I think
some
it's
recovery.
a not so bad bet.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a good bet because, I mean, it could go down to 22 something, but
But we are, look how oversold we are.
Yes, we are.
Oversold like crazy. And we see bullish divergence on the 4 hourly. Excuse me.
And what do you want to buy like for the next bull run? What do you like?
oh, this is good question. This is why I said, why should we rush into conclusions now and buy things and fundamentals now? Let's buy only with our, if we have like $100 in stables, let's use 20% out of it to buy the fundamentals of today. But we don't know what will be the fundamentals of 2 years from now. We don't know what's going to be the trend. Is it going to be L2? Is it still going to be L1? Is it going to be DeFi projects like last bull run? Is it going to be games, play to earn, like, you know, like mid bull run, like Axie and others. We don't know yet what's going to be the next trend. So I said, wait 2 years, and then read everything you can around the industry and see what's going to be the next trend. It's easy because everybody's talking about the next trends, but not now. Because now it's not the next trends of 2 years from now.
What is when in your opinion is the bottom? When in your opinion is the bottom?
Bottom, I told you, 800 billion market cap. I can ask people from the crowd.
Yes.
No, they gone.
How is Coupon then?
Amazing.
But one question. So at 800 billion, if the whole market cap of the whole crypto market, 800
will go down.
Yes.
To 800 billion.
But right now we are at 800 billion.
No,
so
right now we are at
900. So near.
No, we are near 1 trillion.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
970 something.
Yeah.
970 or 80.
But
950.
but when do you think in measured in years? When is the bottom in? When will be the bottom in?
In years.
Yes. So
it could be next week,
really?
or
It's very quick, he said.
yeah, it could be next week, or it could be like previous bear market around September, October.
But you think this year could be the bottom in?
That's what happened in the last bull run, right?
Yeah, but
Last,
this is quick.
But when we will see the rally to the upside? What do you think? I mean,
when we will see like bull run?
Yeah, this this quick huge bull run.
Probably January 2025.
2025, so it's 3 years still.
I mean, it could be December, starting from November 2024 till the end of 2025. Every day it's like party.
Yeah.
And you think now it's just gonna be like sideways, up sometimes, down again sometimes, just sideways.
Yeah, like stagnation. Going a little bit up,
Down.
going a lot of down. A little bit up, but it's gonna be for years now, for 2-3 years. Yeah.
I could wobbling, man. But the good thing is we can, as day trader or swing trader, take advantage of the small pumps and dumps. This is the good thing, right?
Yes, day traders or people that would like to understand a little bit better TA and listen to you guys can make money.
Yeah.
But I encourage them to bet on smaller amounts, not to lose their own whole stack. Because we all need, don't forget, we all need a bunch of stables that wait for us to the year 2024. There we're gonna go all into the market and buy everything we can.
Yes.
All the trends.
Yes, this is the good thing. This is very important in such days like today where we see huge crash and like I see my portfolio like red, like crazy red, like losing 80% of my portfolio, is to watch the bigger picture that they're coming even bigger opportunities, where we can buy even cheaper.
What's your question? And someone asked about stables. If you're worried about stables, if you saw my video, or I split it between BUSD, USDC, USDT, so like 100K in each, for example. Ron is from Israel. ADA in 2025. Will you buy ADA again? These kind of things? What do you think about Cardano? Would you buy this Cardano again, or you're looking for new trend project?
I will answer just a second.
Aave, Ron was an early investor in Aave, right?
Yeah.
He was a seed investor in Aave.
No, not seed.
Oh, early.
Not seed. Early.
Do you still hold Aave or so?
I still hold.
You were trying to get OTC deals.
No, I still hold that, but not so much, but yeah. Seed investor in Elrond, Frax.
Elrond got destroyed. It's completely erased the whole game.
Yeah.
Crazy.
But we saw good times.
Yeah, and look at this, like, crazy. Steppen is nice. Do you like this Steppen project?
Yeah.
I like Steppen because you use it, use
it's
it
a nice utility,
regardless
right?
of the,
It's a very nice utility, it's something new.
I walk every day now with Steppen.
Yeah, it's
because
very
it's
nice.
like, oh, my energy is full. Okay, I go walk. I make $10 from walking. It's just like good.
It's beautiful idea
Yeah.
and usage and utility.
They are very smart.
Yeah.
And people who use it, it's like good for making people not fat. Oksana uses it, her sister uses it, everyone.
Yeah.
MCRT, we're gonna build. So play to earn games, I think it's just beginning. Like, no one is gonna play a non-play to earn game in the future. Why would you play a game that the money's not real? So how do you find projects like Solana, Ron? How do you find Solana that was gonna get me?
So projects like Solana and others, you have to develop your own network. Basically, as a VC, it's easier because you are exposed to a lot of deal flow, and people who are working in the funds are, DDing decks that we are getting, and obviously we invested in many projects, so those projects are referring their network into the fund in order to get money from the fund. So we have a lot of deal flow coming in, so it's easier for us. But even before I was VC in the space, I participated in a few private groups, discussion groups, people that, coming from different areas and verticals in the field. And basically, that's where you get your initial network. It's all about people. It's all about bringing value to people and getting value from people, and share ideas and share network and share deal flow, basically. So for example, we are friends for the last 2 years, I assume?
2 days.
And we're already sharing deal flow, right? We co-invest in things together, and this is how it is. So you have friends in the space, you bringing them value, bringing them the knowledge, and if by coincidence or not coincidence they are bumped into a very nice deal, they're giving you a call and say, hey, let's join forces and let's participate in this deal together. This is how it works.
So deal flow, guys, it means like when a project is available and they need investments, the VCs, they're like, hey, guys, there's this really nice project. And if you have a good network, you can share each other these nice projects to invest in. What are the most demanding skills?
Wait a minute. What are the most demanding skills to learn now and earn the money for investing in crypto? Sales, coaching?
This is your whatever you like to do, whatever you can make money, what your passion is. He's asking like, how do you make money to put into crypto? What would you recommend?
Ron don't have a channel, guys.
I mean,
It's exclusively here on our channel for you.
Ron is like big VC. He chilling on islands all the time and traveling.
He don't have to do this.
I don't understand the question. How you make money in order to invest
in crypto? What would you recommend?
You can go to McDonald's and earn money. Right? It doesn't matter how you bring the initial money. It's matter what you do with this money and how you convert your money into crypto and how you make more money out of your crypto. So, for example, I started with an initial investment of $10,000. This was my entry point, I would say. I even remember I wrote a check to someone, OTC, privately, and he sold me few Ethereum back then. This is how I started. So I put my Ethereum and converted it into other coins. I invested it into private sale. I did a lot of stuff back then. Some of them, obviously, I lost, but most of them, it was back then in 2016, so it was a beautiful time to get into the market. Almost everything you did back then, you earned a lot of money. And I will tell you that for sure. If you are first timers and you are taking your money now and getting into the market, most likely you will lose money. If you will wait till 2024, most likely you will win money. If you are not on the beginner level and you are like mid-level, high level, bear markets is a beautiful time to make money for you guys. But you have to learn TA closely and listen to experts.
And risk management, yes, very important.
So to summarize it, if your question is how you make money to get into crypto, I would suggest you don't start now.
Wow, guys, we see Bitcoin is further going down. I think yes, we 23,600. We are shit. We are dumping like the whales are shitting around, man. You see, my whole iPad is full of shit right now. Wow, man, 23,000. You want your phone?
Yeah.
23,000. Suka, blad.
Beautiful guys. I love everyone is lucky to be learning from Ron.
Shit, 23,600.
Slavic channel is Slavic crypto.
Fuck, 23,600, guys. I told you if we break with the 15-minute candle, with the clear 15-minute candle, 23,900, we will see a further dump.
Sure.
But we are right now.
Not all of that, obviously.
Oh shit! Yes, we.
I sold.
I think this could be go to
2021.
And he said
22,500. 22,500.
No, not to sell
Fuck.
anything. The most stupid things now is to sell things. Don't sell. Please don't sell.
It's
Hold,
already too
wait.
late now.
It's too late to sell.
Yeah. So we could see Bitcoin 22,600 right now, guys. If we're closing this candle right now in 7 minutes, I think I expecting here to see Bitcoin at 22,500, 22,600. So this could be a short opportunity if we close this candle in 6 minutes. This could be a short opportunity from here to 22,600 of 4% and average 40%. If thank you, Ron. People writing.
You're welcome.
40% if we close this candle right now, 50-minute candle, like this.
Oh,
Wow,
Ethereum,
shit.
20% down, huh?
Fuck,
Yeah, crazy
yeah.
drops.
Wow,
What do you think
shit.
about if someone lost? What happens if someone lost massively now? What advice you give them? If they like lost all their money,
What do you mean? Lost?
Like all their investments is dropped to like nothing. They're like, panicking. What would you do if they lost? They had $100,000. They put it all into crypto in the bull run. They lost everything. What's your advice to them?
I have only one advice. First, don't think of it as a loss if you didn't sell it. All right? So, yes, mark to market, it's probably in value lower than your entry price. I understand that. But if you didn't sell, then you didn't lose. What I suggest to you is like to hold, wait, and sell in the right time, which will be, unfortunately, only in 2025. If you cannot wait, and you have, and you need the money, badly, then you will lose, because then you will sell, and you will lose this money. I would suggest to be patient. You didn't lose your money until you sold it in a loss. Always think about it. You still have coins. Coins are assets. You didn't lose your assets. It's in your belongings. Right?
And what happens if they burn all their money? They still have a job, and now in the bull run it dropped. They sold at a loss. They all their assets, their cash is gone, and they sold their tokens. What do you recommend them to do?
If you lose really everything.
They lose their job.
No, they have their job still.
They have the day job, all right?
And they lost all their. They invested their life savings in crypto. It dropped. They sold it.
They sold.
Now they've got nothing left in savings, crypto. What should they do? Stay away from crypto, or
Yes. Work hard, earn money in your day job, and go back in 2 years from now. That's what I would suggest.
this guy's back on my channel now.
Really?
Some guy, Jesus, you read this? He keeps coming on our channels and posting.
USDT depegging more. Wow. Shit.
What do you think about all this
I'm not worried about USDT or USDC
Why?
because I have a feeling that they are well backed with real assets.
333 people in here. Guys, everyone smash up the thumbs up button.
303. Yes. Wow, 314 likes, guys. Everyone who is right now
What do you
here,
think about
smash the
gas,
like button,
oil,
brother.
commodities? Do you
Wow,
invest
we
in
are
this
dropping
stuff?
further,
that?
blood.
What do you think about natural gas, oil, commodities?
It's far from crypto, right?
Do you invest in this stuff?
I would wait till the markets, all the markets, will stop with all these shakedowns, right? All the markets are fragile at the moment. I wouldn't suggest, do any radical thing, like start to invest in new area like gas, oil, others. Oil is in the top or close to the top, right? Investing now in oil, I don't know if it's a smart idea.
Oh, cool. We hit 75,000 subscribers. Awesome, guys.
Congratulations, brother.
Woohoo, just now.
Nice.
Thank you, guys. Best.
Oh, Crypto is here. Was geht ab, Bratan?
Yo.
What's up, Crypto?
But is it really him?
Yeah, here. Here's his
Nice.
check mark.
Chris.
Chris is here.
Yeah?
Nice. Maybe you want to make a new bet with Chris?
No,
Here?
no.
Chris, by the way, I made the bet with Jamie and I won.
He won the bet.
Let's go.
Best
Best people. Best Bratan. Nice.
Ron has the same, like on any individual coin, he's saying that he thinks that the whole market can pull back another 20%. Because they're asking individual, like, what do you think about Tron? What do you think about...
Individually, I don't know. As I said before.
Can you put this over there?
Sure.
Thank you. Can you guys hear us from there?
One in the chat if you hear us, guys. Put one in the chat if you hear us.
Can you all hear us normal? Put one if you can hear us normal. Two if you...
Two if you don't hear us. One if you hear us, two if you don't hear us. Nice and clear, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ethereum 1,186.
Fuck!
Holy shit.
Motherfucker. I think we can drop down, wait a minute, we can drop down
What
to
is the market cap? What is the market cap?
80, 1,007.
No, we still have time to go down, even down from here.
It's at the previous all-time high, below the previous all-time high in 2018.
Hello? Can I have another Americano?
800.
I need another black coffee, guys, because I get in here crazy.
Ah, yeah, Ethereum is in general.
Yeah, can I have carrot juice? Nice. Carrot juice. With no ice.
No, I am
I
fasting
would
right
like
now.
mint
fuck.
with honey.
Man, we are further going down.
For me, I'm good. I sold everything. Oh, Chris is calling right now.
Chris is calling you.
Yeah.
You want to go? But video.
Maybe message him
Ron,
live.
Chris, can you call Ron? Because Jamie is
live as
also
well.
online. Блядь. Okay, we are closing below 23.
Wait, you can't. Now you can hear. It's because Chris was calling my phone. Now
Shit.
you guys can hear.
I think I have to close my positions.
If Chris will call me,
This nigga guy, like, I can't even say it. This guy is again posting. Man, go get a, like, what the, get a job or something. Why would you come onto a chat to just be posting stupid stuff?
Oh.
Makes no sense. Hide user. Yeah.
And
Hide user on this channel. He just, hide user on this channel. He comes on and writes the crazy messages on both.
I made my mistake, moderator.
Is sound back, guys?
Shit, I have to close my positions, man. We will go further down.
Yeah, I closed everything.
Yeah, close
I
position. Shit.
closed 2 days ago. I made on the plane. I was getting on the plane. I was like,
huh?
How are you?
Very
What's
good.
up? Where are you, bratan?
you seeing the live?
You're doing better than the Bitcoin price, right?
He's happy. The Bitcoin is dropping and Ron is happy.
Why not?
Oh, wow. That doesn't sound nice. Let me actually quickly go into the car so I'm happy.
No, I'm not.
This is here.
I'm happy because I'm happy. I'm not happy because of Bitcoin.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, our real happiness should not be correlated with the price.
Of course.
Otherwise, we would have like this.
Of course.
Oh my god.
We are veteran. We know those cycles, right?
Yeah, exactly. I don't even care too much. It's just sad for the trades and for followers, but just for the
That's what I said before to the audience. I mean, you didn't lose until you sell, and if you don't sell, it's not a loss. It just you have an asset.
It's not a loss. It's in fact it's nothing because we buy Bitcoin to escape US dollar. So then when the price goes down and we escape US dollar, we have less shit now because US dollar went down. It's good.
Yeah,
It's positive.
it's true. And actually, if you have more US dollars, you can actually buy Bitcoin now, or not now. You wait a little bit and see where the market goes, and then you will have a possibility to buy more, right?
Yeah, exactly. So for me, every dip down is an opportunity. I actually deposited more money on a trading account, just US dollar tether, because I really want to get this freaking dip. And of course, the question is, when is it going to happen? I'll just open. If I get F on this one, I open another one. If I get F, I open another one lower. I'll just keep opening trades until I hit the bottom.
That's nice. That's nice.
When, Chris, when do you think, when is the bottom in?
So I always predicted, right? Weekly close 28,800. I was actually correct for the last few months, but now I was wrong because we closed below. And I admit that I was wrong, but I always said if I will be proven wrong, I will admit it. And then my new price target is the 200-week moving average. I think probably you guys agree.
19K.
22,000 approximately. But Bitcoin can rig down, but I think on the weekly close 22,000.
We're already there. We're like at
We
23,700.
can always rig down and completely clear out the market, liquidate every long, including ours if we open some. And but I think 22,000 should be the bottom, the 200-week. We had 11-year or 12-year historical confidence with the 200-week moving average, and I think it will hold.
Yeah, it's not far from my expectation of 22. 22 is solid number. Yeah.
For everyone watching, if Ron says 22, it's gonna be 22.
No, I mean,
Yeah, you see, guys, everyone is really impressed of Ron. We are really big fans of Ron because he has no YouTube channel, but he is in the background and he's always right. He's crazy, this guy, man.
Let me share one story. I had a bet with Ron in the end of 2020, I think, and we were making a bet. The bet was for like a big holiday, like first class, nice villa, everything. The loser has to pay. And his prediction was actually in the end of 2020, I think end of 2020, his prediction was 69,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. That was the exact bull market high. And of course, I was betting higher, but this guy was correct. And of course, I paid the vacation and we had a good time. But yeah, he was already correct on the dot, on the spot, on the US dollar. And if he says 22,000 now, I think it's a good sign.
Crazy.
yeah.
Crazy.
Maybe in the future, until end of the year, we can see even lower number. But for this cycle, I think
You want
22
foam?
is like yeah, I know. But what can I do? This is reality, man. We have let's not forget.
Reality, we are bulls.
Yeah, but let's not forget that we are in bear now, and it's good for the audience to understand that as well. So in bear, we're gonna, suffer from this situation for additional 2 years, I assume, until the next halving. And next Bitcoin halving will be, I think in market cap, we're gonna see triple all-time high than the last bull market.
Oh, shit.
Is what I think.
Crazy.
So hold tight.
Whoa.
Like 180, 200,000 US dollars, right?
Yes, 180,
I think-
150 to 180. This
I
is my
think, guys,
estimation.
we are going down to 23,600. 22,600.
It makes sense that based upon your track record, it should happen exactly like this. But if we have 2 years for bear market, and if we find a lower price than 20,
Can you turn?
then a few things would be happening for the first time. It would be the longest bear market in history, and for the first time, we would close below the 200-week moving average and below the previous all-time high if we did below 19,700. So all of these would be first-time events for Bitcoin. Probably then the argument is that this time it is different, right? This money printing.
Yeah, it is different. It's true. It's different, but because I think
So,
the downfall is.
guys,
came,
I think if we close this
we anticipated.
15-minute
It could
candle
be before
like
COVID,
this,
because
because
of COVID,
you
because
see
of the
here a
war
lot of
in,
resistance
Ukraine
and
Russia.
23,800,
Many
right?
reasons,
Right now,
But
then we see
I
Bitcoin
think-
down to
I think the
22,800,
main reason for extending the bear
22,600.
market
So this could
time
be short opportunity.
Probably is just the circumstances.
And I had
not
Americano, one
because
Americano.
Something has changed in the timing of the bigger cycles.
So,
the bigger
yeah,
cycles are always
20
the same. It's 5
I
years
think this could
cycles.
be short
It's always the same.
opportunity of.
Yeah, Ron always does these predictions,
This
not
could be
based
short
on TA, but
opportunity
cycles.
of at least 3.7%, 10x 37%, 4.5%, 10x 45%, I think.
It legitimizes Bitcoin. I mean, it adds new use cases, right? People in Ukraine, they actually need Bitcoin, and banks are shutting down and so on. So I think all of these events will help Bitcoin decouple from the stock markets and in the end also from the US dollar, right? I mean, it's very heavily correlating with the US dollar index. US dollar index going down, Bitcoin going up, US dollar going up, Bitcoin going down. But I think the decoupling is inevitably going to happen soon within the next 1-2 years.
Yeah.
I think we can have a crazy drop because this sailor, you see this sailor? He's down $800 million.
Who's saying?
Michael Saylor.
Ah,
I think some liquidation thing can happen.
yes. Chris, what do you think about will Michael Saylor ever be liquidated? What do you think? And could be this the huge black swan event? What people are still expecting?
I don't think so because I thought that the liquidation price would be around like 22 or something, but it's not because only a small portion of the holdings of MicroStrategy are more on margin. So as far as I know, but not 100% sure, the liquidation price is somewhere at $6,000. I think he tweeted, I only get concerned if the price goes to 6,000. So
Yeah, one more.
I think their margin call is coming very, very low. And I think we all agree on that we are not going to go to 6,000, right?
I don't think also that we are going to 6,000, but I mean,
No.
but if we are going to six, hopefully
I
we
will
are
tell
going.
you, we are not going there.
But hopefully then we can buy even more Bitcoin.
We're not going there. That's a dog. Very loud dog. I personally, now I expect 22,000 as the weekly close. We can go lower, but for sure we are not going to go into these areas. I mean, that is. I would actually loan money and buy more Bitcoin if we go to 6,000. And I'm actually strictly against doing something like this.
I think 13K is
I will
worst
join.
case.
I will join you.
Yeah, we're gonna get all the loans in the world and just pump it into Bitcoin.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Nice. So, guys, it's 5 minutes until the 15-minute candle closes.
How is it?
In my opinion, this could be a short opportunity to 22,600. I told you that if this candle closes below 23,900, we can short to
How are you at this? You good?
22,800, 600 between this level. Please do your own research. I'm only telling you what I'm doing. This is
Sure. Let's
instead of
be,
whiskey, I have here
a couple and
black.
let's even join
coffee.
the Dubai tournament. Who knows?
Over there?
What?
Can you put the phone over there?
Ah, yeah, sure.
Football is always my number one, but this is my favorite sport after football.
Guys, you
Yeah,
can
I agree,
also
I agree.
switch between our channels
I
if
agree.
you want to see like different
Football is
views
always
and
number
stuff.
one.
Yes.
But yeah, it's very good.
Crypto Slavic,
And
James Crypto Guru.
James Crypto Guru. And subscribe to our channels, guys. Crypto Guru and Slavic Crypto.
Luggage and everything. So I
4
have to
minutes.
go out now,
Sure, bro.
but let's
4 minutes until the candle closes, bro.
would love to meet you in Ibiza also. We can talk about this because it's really beautiful time here.
Maybe I'll join you in Ibiza. It was beautiful. Yes.
Maybe we come all to Ibiza down.
Yes!
Yes.
All together. I think this would be nice. Then when we're streaming
Chris
and
got us
everyone
all
is
to come to a dress sky view. All of us, we all moved house. Fucking him.
Yeah, it's only because of you, Bratan. It's only because of you. Yes.
Now the other Skyview coming to Ibiza.
And you all join in Ibiza. We do nice content. We do like
No, when we coming, you moving.
Then you come back to Dubai.
But are you Do you promise that if we come to Ibiza, you're not going back to Dubai?
Ron is moving his whole family each time, Chris. You gotta be careful. His kids change school. His kids change school.
I go back to the address, guys.
For sure.
3 minutes, 3 minutes. The crazy thing is, bro, more and more people are moving because of you here.
Thanks. I would love to see you guys here. If you are coming, I will stay over.
Okay, bro.
1 month and
Soon I'm gonna be alone in like 8-9 days. I'm gonna be alone here, and it would be cool to have some friends around.
Maybe let's go to Ibiza.
yeah, for holiday,
Yes.
not for moving. I like
Guys, what do you
Yeah.
what do you think? Should we all go to Ibiza and do all together content? One in the chat if you think so. Write it down below, guys. Also you.
That's good. That's good. Great. And actually, guys, I know we shouldn't spend too much money. It's the bear market, so we can share Villa all together, pay it in crypto. And of course, if we are sharing, we are spending less, and we have more to buy more Bitcoin, and that makes sense. We are more happy, we have more action, and we are saving some money.
What did you do? You still have your cars here, or did you sell them for? We know the bottom
Guys,
when you sell
only
them all for Bitcoin.
only 2 minutes 20 until the 50-minute candle. My expectation is that we are going then to see Bitcoin at 22,800, 22,600, guys.
$1 I can get. How many Bitcoin can I get for this?
500?
50 Bitcoin or so.
50, yeah.
55 Bitcoin I can get for the McLaren.
Don't forget, Bratans, we are trading here on Bybit. On Bybit, you get right now 4,620 for free after initial deposit. And on Bybit, you get 30 days zero maker fee through my link. Link is down below, guys. Instead of $400, you get 4,620 for free. Bybit link is down below. It's 30 seconds only.
When you sell the car, Chris buys the McLaren, all his cars at the top. So now he's gonna sell it at the bottom. He doubles his money, 4 times your money. His best investments are his cars. He
Yeah,
buys
this
a
is
$1.2
crazy,
million
right?
McLaren. It's now 4 million. Say again.
The McLaren I bought with altcoins, so I can actually buy 5, 6, 7 times more altcoins now, or even more, 8, 9 times more altcoins, which I sold for the McLaren. So that would be great.
Your audience should know your like best trades, like the times you call the perfect is your cars.
Yeah, even without knowing.
Yeah.
It's just the perfect trade. I don't even know, but it happens to be the perfect action.
And I think you did this the last time as well.
No, it's a good idea. Thank you, man.
About Celsius, guys, I don't know. I have to watch what
Brother,
Celsius. I will
go
watch
to your
for you
trip.
guys.
Go to your trip.
I will watch in a minute.
Bye.
See you, Chris.
Bye.
Bye, Chris.
Bye, Bratan. 15-minute chart is relevant for day trader, Bratan. For day trader, it's absolutely relevant. So let us watch what will happen here. RSI is cooling down, so we see cooling up. Yes, we will see right now, but I expecting, because we closed here this 15-minute candle below our support at 23,800, 900. So I'm expecting that we see another dump to 22,800, 600. This is another huge support where we are coming in. Yeah, let us see, guys. This one, Celsius. What is the tag for Celsius? Let us watch. But Celsius, I think.
Celsius was a stable. It's like a Luna that
What?
broke. It dropped like 60% yesterday.
Cell
Get out if
60.
you can, because they. Oh no, I think you can't get out of Celsius anymore. They blocked withdrawals.
Let us.
Celsius is too late. Anyone have any questions on my channel? Guys, I haven't been reading the chat. I'm sorry.
Whoa, shit! What happened with Celsius,
They
man?
blocked
This is
withdrawals.
dead. Oh,
Wow, but what happened with them?
It's like a Luna, like a stable.
I think they were overexposed to Luna.
It's Celsius stablecoin. Celsius network is not a stablecoin here. It was up, right, to $10 or something
No, it's
at the
like
high.
a Luna, like a similar.
Celsius is like
What is the tag for Celsius?
It's like
Oh, Maria, what's up, Bratan?
we are like in a,
We are live.
in a session, in live session.
Everyone love the market. Everyone love the market. You dress
Did you
in
sell
red.
everything?
Huh?
Well, you
we dress like the market.
You jinx it. You jinx it. That's why we need it.
You want to come sit next to Ron? Then we will see you also in the live stream.
I think nothing will perform well in Denmark. Cold Dow has all The only
like,
thing that will last in the long term is
discussing
important. So
with
like if
100
people are going to keep
Okay.
building the project for the next
About
bull
like
run.
how much cheaper
So
it's
play
gonna go.
don't
Yes,
the
things
team
like
is
that.
going to keep building.
What to do in this
Anything that will
supermarket.
buy
But
now
it was
to
obvious
keep
it was
building.
gonna go down even more. Also like with
Even more.
no,
Love
I
you
mean,
guys.
like, also,
Well,
like,
1 hour
recently with
live
all
stream.
the
You're all amazing. How does it like being here with us?
sales
It's
support.
nice, right? Ooh, look at this, guys. Look at this. We are watching right now the 15-minute candle. Look at this. Yop, твою мать.
Now it's
And
too
they were
late to sell
exposed to
anything.
USD.
It's close to the bottom. We're very
Ooh,
close.
shit.
Bitcoin's a little can drop more, but
So FTX
Bitcoin
is killing them.
it's already too low.
They're killing the market.
Ooh,
They're working for
Patents?
ooh, shit.
You don't need to spam. Lauren.
You are amazing, people writing.
Target BNB, I think you can go. Here is pretty good to start buying. 131, I think.
Really?
Is very low.
And Greece was
SL, make money, what Ron said, and start building capital. For
They asking, will you be with us when we are broke? Will you still be with us?
It's okay, I'm gonna be broke too. It's fine.
We all broke then, man. USDD is unpacked today. Is following Celsius soon. What's USDD?
It's
USDD is the Tron.
stablecoin.
Ah, Tron. So Tron is going also
Yeah, they're
to.
putting. Tron is putting 2 billion in to try and hold up their USDT.
Oh.
It's exactly.
Ah, so
like,
shorting Tron. We should
exactly
shorting
like
Tron.
USD. They're not learned.
Let us watch
Tron is
Tron.
making $2 billion of Bitcoin. They're selling it to put into to hold up.
Yeah.
The peg.
I told you, deep
It's
tech is
exactly
the
the
new
same.
China banning.
So you think
Yeah.
Tron will be
Yeah.
also?
Ron said DPEG is the new China ban. If you were in 2017, every day China was banning Bitcoin, and this was the reason for the
DPEG is
market
the new
dropping.
one.
Now it's deep. Now it's Celsius, UST, USDD.
Oh, ёбаный в рот. Look at what happens. Wow, guys, look at oh, so Tron. Look at Tron, guys. What the fuck? Tron. Wow, Tron is bleeding, man. Tron
Yeah, if
is.
you're in DeFi, I would be very careful if you've got any stables locked or something like this.
Wow, Tron 20% also.
Anti.
Nothing more beautiful than having her at such a bad time. They're writing nothing more beautiful than having her at such a bad time.
Guys, who would you rather be talking with, Ron or Marie?
For sure, with Marie they want.
One if Ron, two if Marie.
I know who I want to talk to.
Who?
They said both. Vanessa's sweet. Vanessa said both.
Wow, shit. Yeah. Oh, so.
So I guess the market is still
So USDD. Let us watch what is happening with USDD, guys.
Can you put
It
it
was,
back over there?
it was there all the time. We knew it.
So let us watch at USDD, bratans. What is happening here with USDD? USDD.
You know the
USDD.
market was crashing when everyone said Ron.
Wallet.
They all want to speak to you. No one said Marie. You know they're panicking in the market.
Oh, look at what is.
They want to talk to me.
Yeah, they all want to talk to you, not Maria.
Fuck. USDD, look what's happening with USDD. Fuck. Man. But this could be huge short opportunity on Tron, man. No, Ron has no Twitter, bratans. Look. You see this? USDD. But, ёб твою мать, I think this could be another shorting this whole fucking market.
Was you gonna spend the $1,000 that you won on the best recently?
Ah, yeah.
Tron stable.
Bratan, this is very good. This is what Marie yesterday.
Lowest was 98 cents.
Marie give me a very good how it called.
Question.
Yes, that the $1,000 which you lost, we can use as a bonus for psychology app for your next psychology
Yeah,
sessions.
I
You
need
know,
all this all this loss. My hair falling out. Look.
crazy man. But guys, look at this. This is. What do you think, guys? Is maybe Tron the next short opportunity like Luna? Because look, they're losing they're depegging the USDT. What do you think, guys? Tron, will Tron also have the same like Luna?
I think Tron is making a mistake. They're doing the same thing. They're selling Bitcoin to try and hold the peg, and then when they stop holding it, it'll drop like crazy.
So you think it could be a short opportunity?
Bitcoin is 23,000.
Oh, yeah, that's enough.
One
23,000.
23,000, Ethereum 1,200.
23,000. Ёбаный в рот.
23,600.
Ah, yeah, 23,600. Yeah.
Ethereum
This-
1,195.
Okay, everyone, I'm closing the live. You can jump onto Crypto Slavic's channel if he's gonna stay live. Slavic,
Yeah,
that's my
I
friend.
will be live. Yeah, I'm live. So, bratan, joining Slavic Crypto. We are still live here. Joining Slavic Crypto here.
Love you all.
What fun.
Check out my video today. I showed my thoughts on the markets. Number one, big kisses. Thank you all for watching. Thank Ron for all his amazing insights. Ron's a genius, by the way. We'll get him. let's get him talking on the
USDD,
channel
not
more. He's super
USDT.
experienced VC, not just in crypto. Thank Crypto Slavic. See you all again tomorrow.
Today. Wow.
Sailor and Musk are down.
Yeah, sail it down.
What is the
To,
liquidation?
I think it's crazy.
And guys, very important to watch. Look at the
my video
futures.
today is pumping.
Futures of S&P 500 3,800. We will open with a huge dump. Wow, the stock market will open with a huge dump. I think we will see another huge dump in Bitcoin when the stock market open. When the stock market open? No. S&P
Guys, look
500.
at this. This is a nice image to show. Slavic. El Salvador is down 46 million.
Wait. How much is?
This El Salvador is down 40. So the country is down 44%. The MicroStrategy is down 713 million, 17%. Tesla is down 270 million, 20%. So they're getting destroyed. Big drops. So even Tesla, MicroStrategies, and El Salvador in losses now.
Shit. So if you think about your losses, guys,
what
just
is
know that
the
there's
background
somebody
for
who
the
has even more losses. I think in
it's
in
okay,
1.5 hour stock market open.
Getting better.
Yes, S&P 500
morning,
1.5 hour they open, right?
It's already in pre-market?
The pre-market's open, but in 1.5 hour.
Now it's just
Whoa, pre-market is getting destroyed.
Wow,
Tesla
completely.
down 4%, Google 4%,
Yeah.
Qualcomm 4%.
Guys, I think we will see
Facebook
another
4%.
dump to
Facebook said
22,500, 22,800 to 500, because stock market is swimming in shit right now.
And
Stock market is
the
dead.
global cryptocurrency market cap has fallen below 1 trillion.
Below 1 trillion. But when it was about 1 trillion? Above? Yesterday?
Oh, look at my phone.
Yeah, like very recently. Very
My
recently.
t-shirt is correct.
Fuck.
Like this for a while now, huh?
So basically everything is back to 2017 prices.
Yeah. Maria is, by the way, very good at crypto. She's also a crypto expert. She knows. She writing sometimes the news which I telling you then, because she's a very good. Yes, she's a crypto expert. I want to keep seeing her. Should I do like this, TA? I make sound but you watch her, or she moving the mouth and I make like a voiceover. Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
USDT, only 5.8% of the is cash.
What?
Only 5.8% of USDT is real cash.
So, but it's more than the banks.
The
you know?
other 80% is bank, commercial debt, company debt.
Yeah, that was very cool that they figured out the fact that, like first they were
not 100% back.
100% backed up by yield or dollars, and then they figure out that actually we can be backed up by debt. It's amazing.
Crazy, right?
It's also like a little bit, very shaky and scammy situation. Because just like with Terra Luna, how can you back a stable coin with something very volatile, which is, BTC, with 80,000 of BTC?
No,
By the way-
Luna itself.
And Luna itself, of course, but also the fund was backed by BTC and Ethereum, right? So how can you back a stable coin with something very volatile like BTC? And by the way, no one's fund was BTC, right? We kind of close 80,000 of BTC and no one so it's all in business.
They're asking your YouTube channel. You still don't have a YouTube channel, right? She still don't have, guys. We have to get her to make a YouTube channel because she, huh?
Let's do voting.
Let's do voting.
What it means?
Voting.
Voting. So everyone who want that Maria makes a YouTube channel, 1 in chat. Everyone who don't want, 2 in chat. 1 for if you want a YouTube channel from Maria, 2 if not.
Yeah, and 3 if I should start OnlyFans, I heard like girls there.
And
So
now
everyone 1. Everyone 1.
Guys, it's a bear market.
Okay, 1 if you want that she's starting OnlyFans, 2 if not. Also everyone 1. Everyone making 1. So so you have to make Bitcoin channel and OnlyFans channel.
Paid in crypto.
Wow, we create new lower lows, guys. New lower lows. New lower lows, lower lows. You watching? You watching?
The video starts with me like eating chocolate. Fuck. Nice video, but
Yeah.
I'm just happy because I'm happy.
So guys, I expecting that we could see here some more dump to 22 800 or 600 and then some relief to the upside. Why some more dump? Maybe because the S&P 500 in the futures, you see, we closed at 3,900, but the futures are right now 3,800. That means we will open with a huge dump, guys. This will be a huge dump, and usually S&P 500 connected to each other. So if S&P 500 open with a huge dump, I'm expecting that we will see another huge dump also in Bitcoin, guys. This is what I'm expecting here. Let us watch what will happen. I mean, it's not a guarantee, guys. Please do your own research. If Bitcoin will drop down further, obviously also Ethereum will drop down further. The next support of Ethereum is around, wait a minute, let me watch.
700 million USDC have been injected into the Tron down.
The next support is 1,100 approximately. Between 1,100 to 1,050.
Reserve to defend the USDT
yeah, that's not. You can not.
At 9:30. What?
700 million put into Tron to try and hold it up. The USDD.
I think Tron will be, maybe this could be another short opportunity for Tron because it will also be fucked like Luna.
Well, BNB's at 200.
Wow, look at this. This because this we are watching Tron. You see, Tron has a huge dump. Why? Because the stable coin USDT is also crashing, getting depacked. You see, it's the same happening here. I make here an alarm, so I will see if it's even more depegging. Because then could be a short opportunity of Tron. Maybe I'm shorting also Tron. Wow, shit.
There's no support on Bitcoin until really.
I think I will short also
It's like all fake support.
Tron down.
There's one at 93, but very small support. 13,000 is real support.
Don't film Jamie, only Maria.
Hey! What is this? I'm 6.
Tron.
19K is the previous whole time.
I think I make a small short on
13K, I think. $75,000 subscribers I think today. Just now.
nice. Congratulations, bratan.
Thank you. It took a long time. Like you're sitting.
When did we have the last death cross?
What do you mean, death cross?
Months ago.
Last cross 2 months ago?
So let us watch again what is happening here with Bitcoin, guys. Let us quickly watch. 15-minute candle. Yes, we see again some pump here. But we open new candle. Wow, we saw huge hammer candle here. Usually hammer candle is bullish sign. Let us see. Will we break 23,800? 23,800, or will we go further down, guys? You see it, it's always going like this, like steps, you know, down, up, down, up, down, a little bit up, and maybe we will see another dump because we see S&P 500 heavily dumped in the futures, right? Let us see, guys. Let us see. Please be very careful. Do your own research. Very important. Do your own research. It's your money, your responsibility, guys, and never ever short use
Look, not if you sold.
more money than you can afford to lose. And we are buying crypto or shorting or longing on Bybit, guys. On Bybit you get 4,620 for free after initial deposit. If you don't have initial deposit, you still get on Bybit 30 days zero maker fee, guys. Link is down below. And don't forget, guys, to join our Telegram group. It's absolutely for free. It's called Slavic Alerts. Link is also down below. You see here, they are giving you some alerts here on Slavic Alerts. And I did, for example, here give you also my entry positions yesterday. Here you see I short, watching again for this 2 levels, short if you break 27,900 with a clear 15-minute close below and a clear selling volume. So if you took here the trade 27,900 and we are right now at the level of 23,800, you could make some nice gains, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys, I think yeah, we see right now here we are. It's very hard to get this level above 23,800. I think, guys, I will also go right now offline again. And if you have any questions, write me in the comments or write in the Telegram group. Link is all down below. Claim your bonus 4,620 and join our trading team on Bybit. I think we are right now the biggest trading team on Bybit with over 40 people in the team. Yes, we are, I think, or maybe even 50 right now. Here you see, it's called Bratans, 43 members right now. You have to join. It's only one click, and then we can win as a team. Several millions of the trading Bybit competition. It's only 15 minutes, 15 seconds, 15 seconds. So yeah, check it out. Back to flipping burgers at Burger King. Ron don't have a Twitter. Do you have Twitter?
Yes, I do, but I don't really post there.
You don't post anything?
No, I read and I post some funny memes about crypto, you know?
Can you show your Twitter?
Let's go for lunch. You guys want to go for lunch? I'm on Caesar salad diet.
You what? Wait a minute. What you said? You on this
Caesar salad diet.
Can you show again the start of your live stream when you're eating the chocolate? Look how he's like, he's, you know, Jamie is the fitness trainer who's a little bit fat, but telling you how eat properly, you know, and eats chocolate and say he's on Caesar salad diet, you know.
They keep bringing his fucking
They are wrong, you know. So show us our Twitter, your Twitter channel. So her Twitter, Lilith? Why Lilith? Lilith?
Oh, someone know the history.
This is what is your history?
No, don't my history. The history of
What is the history of Lilith?
She's a demon.
for that 20 years, you know,
Egyptian demons.
it's
It's not exactly.
no, it's not exactly. Yeah, it's not.
She's a demon?
She's kind of like, you know, fallen from there.
Really?
Yeah.
You are a demon?
She fallen angel. Her wings been cut.
So, and if you also want more diet plans from Jamie, how to get skinny fast by eating only Caesar salad
diet.
and some
It's
little
the best.
and chocolate, join
Bear market food.
channel of Crypto Guru, Crypto Guru, I think on that. Crypto Guru, and pervert bad girl is in paradise is Lilith. Is she pervert?
I don't know that.
No, I don't think so.
story.
Really?
No.
Okay, and if you have any questions, write down below, guys. If you have more questions, Telegram group, Slavic Alerts, also link down below.
We need to get green shirts.
Green?
Tomorrow we wear green, okay?
Really?
We buy a green t-shirt.
I don't have a green
You
t-shirt.
neither. We need to get some green.
Okay, we can, yeah.
We fucking. It's by accident, but it happened.
So if you, yes. And don't forget on Bybit, join. Bybit is better because you get on Bybit 0 maker fee through my link and 4,620
Most people
for free.
buying Bitcoin now on yours. You're getting big
Yeah.
buy orders.
Yeah.
A lot of people buying Bitcoin. It must be from
Because dollar cost average, yes. On dollar cost average. So guys, you know it, 4,620 for free after initial deposit. Make a registration, costs you only 30 seconds and join our trading team. Link is all down below. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah. And thank you also for Ron having here on the channel. Very nice guy. You see, beautiful. I kiss you. Whole community kiss you. And also we kiss Maria. Also very beautiful girl. You know it, and intelligent. So guys, we see. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see another one.